Sir, look, please don't fire me. I don't have anywhere to go, please.
Samantha, you are so incompetent about this your work. I can't take it again. What is this?
Sir, I am not the one that misplaced the file. Temi did. Please investigate properly.
There is nothing to investigate.
Hi.
Your services are no longer needed in the company. Enough is enough. You know what? Go to the company's apartment. Pack everything that belongs to you and leave.
Sir, I don't have anywhere to go, please. Where do you want me to? Sir, please. Sir, please, sir. Hi. God. Oh, God.
No, hold on. Come on.
Do you want me to tell you? Do you want me to tell you?
Yes, I want to hear it. What?
But just try to guess.
I cannot guess, man. Please.
Babe, guess what? What? I have been promoted.
Yes! My love.
Oh my God!
Congratulations,
And do you know
baby.
what that means? Do you
No.
know what it means? It means that I'll have access to a lot of billionaires who are clients. So that's going to make us
Richer! Congrats, baby!
Listen,
This is beautiful.
I have been praying for this opportunity. I have been longing for this opportunity.
We have been praying for this.
Exactly. And it just came.
It's now.
It's big.
Congrats, my baby.
Congratulations, my love.
Mama is going to be very excited to hear this.
Yes, and then Ella, let me call her.
No. Don't get Ella involved. No, don't tell
Why,
Ella.
baby, why?
Not yet. Come
Why?
on. You know her. She's going to be expecting me to give her some more money. And I can't give her the company's money.
You
Come
give
on.
her- you must give her money. She
Babe, please sit down.
Baby, you must give her money.
No, listen to me. I can't possibly let her know I have been promoted. That's not good for me. She's going to expect me to give her a lot of money. And I don't have it. I can't give her the company's money.
Baby.
What?
Ella is your sister. She's family. You must give her money. You know me. I will say no. You must give her money.
Okay, when that time comes, I know what to do. But first, we need to celebrate this. Okay? I'm going to take you to one of the best restaurants in town.
I'm good, baby.
You alright? Okay, so I want to have shower so we can go out to celebrate. Are you good? I'll take you to that restaurant close to the junction.
Wow!
Chido. Chido.
Who is that?
Who is that? My baby girl.
Come take your food in the kitchen.
Ella Amapiano. The Amapiano, Ella Piano. Ella baby.
Chido, what was that for?
What?
What is the meaning of this nonsense?
What for?
No, why do you keep doing this?
Doing what?
I've told you I don't like these names. Stop calling me these names. I don't like it.
Hey. The more you get angry, the more you're attracting me to you. The more I want to get close to you, my baby girl. But wait, what other name do you want me to call you? Is your name not Ella, baby?
Chido, come take your food in the kitchen.
No, but why did you not bring the food by yourself? When two people are in love, the man is on the upper echelon. So what are you supposed to do now? As the man, you man in your life, you're supposed to bring the food.
I say you don't want me to serve you food again in this.
You will not try it. Don't even go. Don't even try it. Don't even go there. Not all these things you are doing in this house. I'll just keep you quiet. See, if you try it, you will not even have the mind to do that to me because I'm your love. I don't love going on.
You think I can do it?
You can't do it. Let me tell you.
You think I can do it, right?
You can't do it. You can't do it. But I hope today's food is sweet, oh. It's not those pots you used to cook, oh. I hope it's sweet. Anyway, no problem. For the fact that it is you, I will come and take the food. Oh, let me come and carry it. The food.
Buy your granuts. Fresh granuts. I'm sorry. No, what did this? I'm sorry. Which one we say you sorry? I'm sorry, please. No, I don't understand. I'm sorry. Madam, it wasn't intentional. Now my 12,000 you just throw away. Please, I'm sorry. No, what did be this? I'm sorry, ma'am. What did we say you dey sorry? Please. You know whether I don't chop today? Sir, you go carry my granite. Mama, I'm sorry. Madam, I don't want catch you. Please. If I catch you, you go hate me. Madam, give me money. They just fired me from a job. I don't even have money.
Bad luck now. I just jam bad luck now.
No, please.
I'll take jam you.
Please.
I'll take jam bad luck. But where are you there?
Let me help you pick.
Tell me that thing. Pick what thing? Give me money, Joe. Give me money. Please. Give me money, Joe. Give me money.
I'm sorry.
Pick him up. Pick him. If you can finish, you give me 12,000.
Hey.
Why you come with
money on me?
You be bad luck. They pursue you for work. You can't pursue my source of living.
Sorry,
who send you work?
Sorry.
Now 12,000 naira. You gotta go through away for grand.
Sorry, please.
They pick him.
I'm sorry.
Give me 12,000. I know they hear sorry. I know they sick. Now money I need. Pick him. Start from heaven. You pick and go wash him. Fine girl like you go just carry yourself. They walk up and down. You know they look where you they go. That's why I give you. How they go pursue you for work today? You can't throw away my source of living today. What? Only you. Madam, why you behave like that?
Hey, please now. Please. Hey, Madam, please don't do this to me now. I don't have any money. If I had, I would have given you.
Give me the 12,000.
I don't have.
Sick tray. Sick up. As they don't fire you for work, may you start the segment.
Okay, let me. I should have some money. Let me see if I can do transfer.
Where your phone?
It's not even here.
How you want to do the transfer?
I'm sorry. I'm just confused.
We know they go anywhere.
Please,
borrow money.
please,
Begin the beg.
Please.
Beg, madam. Beg people collect money.
Hi.
Wow, they fine. I go see money today.
I don't have.
You don't get money, they spray perfume. Okay.
Hey, madam, that perfume is a gift. Please, don't do this to me. Hey, God. Madam. What kind of? God. Madam, that perfume is 90,000. It's a gift. Give it to me.
Samantha!
Vivian.
Samantha, are you alright? I've been calling you. Is something wrong the way you were walking? Are you fine?
I'm not fine.
What happened?
Vivian, my boss fired me, chased me out of the staff quarters, accused me wrongly. Right now, I don't have anywhere to go.
Just calm down, please. God's time is the best.
When is God's time? Maybe I'm cursed. It's not like I'm not even working hard.
I
work so hard, but...
Samantha, stop it. That's been so harsh on yourself. You can't say you are cursed. Why? Please, there are people that you are better than 100%. Do you know that?
Vivian, I don't think I'm better than anyone else. My situation is bad. It can never change.
Don't say that to yourself. And for your boss, what he did is not nice. Why would he accuse you wrongly for something you did not do? That's not nice.
That's to let you know that my pain is beyond me.
It's fine, just calm down. We'll go over to the company's house and then pick your things and then go to my house. Is that okay?
Will your husband accept me?
I'll speak with my husband and I know that he will understand. Don't worry. Let's go, please.
Vivian, thank you so much. God bless you.
Nothing. Come on, Samantha. We are more like sisters, remember? Back then in school, we were party parties now. Come on, let's go. What are sisters for? Come in.
Baby, you don't intend to bring a stranger into this house, right?
My love, Samantha is not a stranger, baby. Please, she's my best friend.
Your best friend? Back in school? Trust me, I'm very sure you know nothing about her anymore.
My love, listen. Samantha is not a bad person at all. She's not.
I never said she is bad. I just want you to be careful because I'm not comfortable with her living with us in this house.
My love, that lady is stranded. Thank God I saw her. And then I decided to help. Please, baby, please.
It's okay. She can stay in the boys' quarters.
Baby.
Yeah?
The boys' quarters.
That's the only option we have. We need to keep an eye on her. We need to watch her. We need to know her type of person before bringing her in.
Okay. Thank you at least. Thank you, my love. Thank you.
Listen, are you upset with me?
No. Upset? How can I? With my husband, of course not. I'm not.
She doesn't have to cause any problems between us. Besides, you need to understand me.
Babe,
listen to me. We need to watch her. People change, you know. People do change. We need to watch her. We need to keep an eye on her to ensure that we can bring her in to live with us.
My love, you're correct. No arguments. Thank you.
All right, come here.
Sorry. Thank you, baby.
Can I get a glass of water?
Of course.
All right.
Samantha, please, I'm so sorry for keeping you waiting. I just spoke with my husband. Though he's not comfortable with the idea, you know, but we concluded. And then he says you can actually stay at the boys' quarters for now. You know.
Well, I don't mind any place as long as I have a place to rest my head. I'm not complaining.
That's so nice. And I'm very sure that you love the place.
Okay.
I'm certain.
Thank you so much.
It's fine.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Please, let me take you to your room.
Okay.
No, leave it. My girl will bring it for you, okay? Okay. Babe, please, just manage this place for now, okay?
Manage? Vivian, this place is beautiful.
You
it's
like
comfortable. It? Yes, I love it.
Oh, okay. You're welcome, please.
Thank you. Okay. Vivian.
Yes.
Thank you so much. I will not forget this favor in a hurry. Thank you.
Come on, stop. Don't get like that. We are best friends. What more can I do for you if not make you comfortable? My own little way. So please stop it. And as for your job, I'll talk to my husband about it. And I'm sure that we'll get you a job ASAP.
Oh, Vivian, don't talk to your husband, please. You've done too much for me already. I'll sort myself out.
Don't say that. My husband is a very good man. And I tell you something, this will not be a big deal for him. Please.
Okay, if you insist.
I insist. So please, be comfortable, be fine. This is your house, this is your place. I'll get my girl to bring your stuff in, yeah?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
See you soon. It's fine.
Samantha, you're welcome to our house.
Thank you.
My wife told me lots about you. And I feel very bad that you haven't been able to get a job. But not to worry, I'll speak to a few friends of mine and I'm very sure they would help you find one.
Oh my goodness, thank you so much. You have a good heart. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Samantha, not to worry. Once you get this job, I'm sure you'll be fine, okay?
Vivian, I don't know what I would have done without you. God bless you and your husband for me.
Amen.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
And babe, take her downstairs now so that she can eat something. Okay. All right? You guys go downstairs. You know,
Go to daddy. Go to daddy.
Set the dining room.
Go to daddy. Save.
Hey, give her a goosey soup.
I will.
All right, I'll meet you guys downstairs. All right.
Okay, bye now.
All right. Hey, are you good? What? Yeah. Woo. Babe, you are the only woman I have ever loved. Trust me, I'm never going to make you cry.
I know, my king, I know. And I promise to make this marriage work. On God.
Both of us must make this marriage work. All right? It's not your responsibility alone. Both of us will make it work.
Yes, sir. I know. I'm just saying that nothing on earth, my king, nothing will ever separate us, except death.
Death? Nobody's dying. I mean, okay, you know what? Let's not talk about death because nobody's going anywhere. We're going to be in this forever till eternity.
Yes, I know. I'm not saying that we're gonna die now, of course.
No, we're not going to die. Don't talk about death.
Okay, well, God knows everything, yeah?
Apart from death, God knows everything apart from death. So no death.
Okay, no death.
You're not going to die. I'm not going to die.
Yes.
We're going to be in this forever.
Amen.
And ever
Amen.
and ever.
Amen.
All right, time to go to sleep. I love you.
I love you more.
Baby!
Chido,
What was that for?
Nobody tickle you. Now you won't jump like. What did they worry? Wow.
Chido.
Eh?
What is the meaning of this?
Meaning of what?
Why did you do that?
What did I do? Only say I now bat it to touch
And
you.
what right do you have to do that?
Because you are my love. Because
if you try this nonsense next time, I would like what I'll do to you.
Let me get this slap. Wait, let me get this slap. Only say I touch you for waste. That's the problem.
You know what? I think it's high time I sacked you from this house.
This house? Wait, which this house you talk about? You not fit. You not fit. At the end of the day, Oshun Jeka Lakebo. I will be in the house.
Chido, are you still aware that I'm your boss's sister?
So therefore,
I will sack you without his permission and nothing will happen.
you not fit. You not fit to him. If not that you are the love of my life, what I will do to you? At the end of the day, Oshun Jeka Lakebo.
You're still here.
Come, don't stop doing this thing.
Chido!
Wait, pull your leg.
Get out from here.
I'm showing you love. Can't I show you love? Aya. Oh, your hand, this girl had the pain, no? I just say fine girls, they slap person, they slap with love. This one they slap with. You don't know what kind of work before.
My car is not washed. Why? Chido! 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 Baby now, come on.
Hey, listen, I'm the only one who has the license to startle you like that. How are you?
Fine, maybe I thought you...
Daddy, leave mommy alone. Let her take me to school.
Oh, right.
Oh, okay, but your mommy is my wife. She's
You-
just your mommy, but she's my wife.
But I'm his mommy. Baby, please, we have to go now.
Okay, that's...
Baby, come, let's go.
Look at this little boy. Come here. Okay, time to go to school, okay? Great. Open the door. Yeah. Yeah.
Baby, move.
Hug. You don't want to hug me? Hug me before you go.
Baby, you're so slow.
Take care. I'll see you.
I love you.
I love you too. Chido!
Guys!
Sorry, let me call it. Where's my car key? My car key.
Brother me.
Yeah?
I said let me ask you. What exactly are we celebrating?
Celebrating? How do you mean? Oh, I was going to take my family out to a nice restaurant so we can have dinner.
Is that it?
Yeah.
But that wasn't what I heard anyway.
What did you hear?
Brian told me that you have been promoted in your office. So I was wondering, are you hiding such news from me?
I wasn't exactly hiding it from you, but it was supposed to be a surprise. I was going to surprise you, yeah.
A surprise? Okay, it's all well. It's good news anyway. Brother, I want to also ask you for some stuffs. There is something I want to discuss with you.
Something like what?
Okay, I want you to get me a car. Then I need some money to get myself some things, change my wardrobe, get new hairs, and brother, I've been so unkept. I need to change all those things and look good.
You need me to buy you a car?
Uh-huh.
Just because you heard I've been promoted? Suddenly you want a car.
No, I've always wanted
Thank
to
you
tell
very
you.
much.
I feel this is the right moment to,
Where's my car key? Did you see my car key?
Yes, I will.
Please, I don't know. Bring it downstairs to me.
Hold on now. You should have a car by now.
I remember those seniors that do maltreat us, thinking we will make it to SS3. Look at us now.
Vivian, you won't kill me. Especially Senior Oma. That senior. That senior is something else. I really hate her with everything in me.
You don't even hate her more than I do. I hate her with my last breath.
Don't worry. After this WAEC, I'll just walk straight to her and show her the result that finally Samantha is now a graduate.
Graduate indeed.
Yes, now.
You know what? We won't show her now until we get admission.
I think that's the best idea.
Yes, ma. Let's go.
You're right.
What is it?
Oh, Vivian, what's all this ones now?
Hey.
I'm not going to kill myself because I want to read and pass my exam. I beg, give me.
You too like food now. Remove your hand first. You too like food. Okay, fine. You know what? Let's just read. After reading, then we can eat the snacks together. How about that?
You cannot read that empty stomach. Before you go and have ulcer. See me.
But we just ate some minutes ago now. What is wrong with you, Samantha?
Okay, ma. Let's read.
Better.
Madam, Vivian, let's read. Mama.
Yes.
Are you going out?
Yes, I'm going to the market.
Okay, Mama.
Please, Vivian, take care of the house, please.
I will. Mama, please, don't forget to buy me something when I come back from the market.
Vivian, buy you something. I thought you said I'm the only one that likes fish. And now you're telling Mama to get something from the market. Mama, please don't mind her. Buy for only me when you're coming. You know I love food more than her.
Hi, Samantha. You know what? Don't worry, okay? I'll get something for both of you when coming back.
Okay, Mama.
Like I said before, take care of the house.
Alright, Mama, I will.
Okay, Mama.
Bye.
Good luck.
Hey. Remove your hand. What is wrong
I don't
with
like
you?
this thing. I don't like this thing you're doing. What's all this ones now?
Stop this thing now, Samantha. Read your books now.
Am I not reading? Is this not what I'm reading? Is this not a book? I beg.
Before you know it now, you go and write biscuits in your paper. Then you start blaming Vivian.
Vivian, leave me alone. I'm reading. Well, okay, I'm not focused. I'm reading.
Don't make me angry.
Vivian! Vivian!
Yes?
Who's holding you now?
Please, I washed this morning.
You washed this morning?
You know my clothes are dirty now. And since we started this exam, I don't even have chance for myself again.
Please be fast.
Please, I won't waste time. Come and wait for me.
Waste time.
Come and wait for me.
Wasted time.
Sorry. Finally, we made it.
I swear. See results now. Look at it. Just check it out.
Seriously, our school is the best.
They are the best though. All thanks to Mrs. Helen, who was there to guide us on some subject. Babe, I will never forget that woman once I become a millionaire tomorrow.
Amen, oh. That reminds me.
What?
I'll be going to the city to stay with my auntie.
Hope there's no problem.
No, nothing is wrong. But according to her, she already made plans for me to come to the city after getting my results.
So what exactly does she want you to come to the city for?
She got me a hotel job and they need me urgently.
I'm going to miss you.
I'm going to miss you too. Don't worry. I'll never forget you.
I trust you.
No matter what.
God, when will my own husband come? Which day will someone call me his wife? God, why have you forsaken me? God, please, bless me with my own husband and wealth.
Ella Amapiano. Amapiano di Ella Piano. Hey, what baby? Hey.
Chido.
I know.
What is this?
What is what?
No, what is the meaning of this nonsense?
Which nonsense?
Haven't I told you not to call me such name again? How many times have I told you not to repeat this nonsense name? Chido, why do you keep provoking me in this compound?
Oh. Oh. The more you talk this thing, the more I fall deeper in love with you. Eh? You just they bring out your beauty. Your beauty is coming out every minute of the day.
Yeah, what did if you try this nonsense again, you won't like what I will do to you. Why did you call me?
Now hand you flog me.
Why did you call me?
Wait, now hand you flog me so I mean a break. Eh? Kido. Okay. I'll play the coco. Give me. So. See, you're a fine girl. As a fine girl that you are supposed to calm down. So that people that matters like us, go they use your blood, they come out.
People, that is for your mind now you matter.
Hmm?
Eh?
Now bread you stole me, Abi.
Chide, can you tell me why you stopped me from doing what I was doing? What is it?
No problem.
Oh God, shift now. Why are you coming so close to me? Stay there and speak, I can hear you. What is it?
Are they smell?
You don't know. Speak, Biko. What do you want?
Okay, no problem. You see that girl with the boys' quarters?
What happened to her?
Who she be?
Chalukwa, wait. Is that why you stopped me? Wait. Is this the reason you stopped me from what I was doing? To ask me about that witch.
That witch? Now you don't tell me.
How is it your business? Chido, what is your business with who stays in this compound?
Wait, what is my
I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
What you're thinking?
Yes.
What do you think?
I don't know. I don't care.
Okay.
But what, I don't understand.
As you don't know what you think, why you gonna say I hope you're not, it's not what you are thinking?
You stopped me to
let me tell you something. Let me put it to you. That I am the chief security officer of this very facility. All the mile radius in this place, I cover it as the chief security officer. And it is my conjugal right to ask you who is in the boys' quarter that you just indirectly described as a witch. And as you have described as a witch, it kept me on alert. So that anything I want to do now, I will be ready with my Kung Fu styles. You understand? And for your information, I put it to you, directly or indirectly, whether you like it or not. Or should you call it? Careful.
It's okay, it's fine.
Yeah, it's okay.
Hey, I can see you don't know your limits again in this compound. Probably you've forgotten your position in this compound, and it is time for me to remind you where your position is.
Yes, let me be chief CSO.
Shut up, follow me. This is your position, and whatever that happens in there is not your business.
Yeah. I'm home, babe.
Welcome, my love.
Come here. I miss you.
Sweetheart, we were together this morning.
Come on. I can't stay a minute without thinking about my lovely wife. Can't I miss you?
I'm blushing.
I have the right to miss you. Come on.
Aha, baby, I know.
Come here, give me a hug.
I miss you too so much.
How have you been?
Good. How was your day?
My day was great. Hey, guess what? I got you beautiful gifts.
My love, you keep spoiling me.
I have to spoil you. I have the right. I have the license to spoil my wife. Take a look at them. Go ahead.
These are luxury hairs.
Yeah.
I feel them already.
Right. just open it. You like it?
This is Peruvian clothes. I love it.
I know you will.
This is luxury.
Yes. Just like you want them.
Yes. Just like I love them.
Take a look at the other one.
Oh my goodness.
You
This
like
color
it?
is giving.
Of course, it's brown, right?
Yeah. Forfeit. Like
So you have black, brown, and...
Let me see.
Babe, what are you doing?
I want to sit on
Like,
you.
seriously, what are you doing?
Yeah.
What? Don't do this. No, seriously.
You look so
Don't
cute.
do this. Don't do this. Don't do this. Don't do this. Wow. Like, seriously.
I should make a video of your face.
If I walk out with that, the gate man is not going to recognize me.
No, they won't understand.
Hey, drop this.
Oh my goodness.
I have more gifts to show you in the bedroom.
Mr. Jeffrey.
What?
You just got back from work.
We're going to kill ourselves tonight. Come here.
Okay, I was
Move,
paid to kill
move,
you.
we're going to kill you.
I am no longer interested in this job. I want a man to love me like Jeffrey. In fact, I want Jeffrey. I feel jealous when I see both of them kissing and romancing each other.
Lawson, bro, I seriously need your help. Samantha really needs this job. Alright? I need you to do everything in your power to ensure she gets it. Please.
I'll do my best. You don't need to worry yourself about this. Although it's going to be very difficult, being that the MD in my company is actually new and she's very strict.
Wow. She's a woman.
Yeah.
In that case, it's going to be very difficult.
Yeah, but we just need to put it in prayer. Like I said, I'll do my best and I'll assure you they'll definitely call her for an interview.
Lawson, I know when a woman is in power or occupies a certain position as a leader, it's always very, difficult to convince them.
Yeah.
But trust me, Samantha is very smart. I know she is very brilliant and she'll do well. So do everything in your power to ensure that she gets the job, please.
There's no problem about that. I'll do my best.
Thank you.
So you don't need to worry about all this.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Please, what can you want to eat something or?
Well, if you have catfish.
Catfish?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll tell them to make it. Let me tell them.
Okay, no problem.
Respect yourself.
What is the meaning of this?
Go inside that place and go and bring my food.
I don't understand. Did you give me money to cook for you?
Must I give you money to cook for me? No, tell me. All the food where you chop for here, you give them money before you bring up money before you cook them. What are you doing for this house when you say you don't want to give me food?
Chido, leave my way.
For what? For what?
Chido, I am not playing with you.
Okay, see me now. I'm doing Atalongo dance. Look at me. Siam, do you like this dance step? Let me tell you, enter that house, package my food, and that is your duty. As the love of your life, you package it, bring it to my mansion,
My AC executive mansion. I chop am. If I chop am finish, you come carry plate.
I should go inside.
Yes.
Package your food. And bring it to you.
Yes. As the love of your life. What is it? Wait till I do you since yesterday. Give me food.
I will push you.
Me, I will push back.
I will push you.
I will push back. Let me tell you, dogs say, if you dance for me, I fall for you. You push me, I push.
You're holding me, Chido.
Yo, what are you doing?
Oh, you are targeting my bum bum.
What is not my investment?
That's where your hand is going.
That is my investment.
Don't try me.
Try me.
Leave my way, Chido.
Brother! Oga!
Chido!
Hey, Lamito!
Leave my way!
For what?
Leave my way!
Stop my way!
Chido! Let me! Chido! Chido, you want to rape me?
You want to
rape me?
You don't want to give me food, Abi?
Chido! Chido! I will strangle you! I will strangle you!
Chido.
Madam.
What do you mean by you've not eaten since yesterday?
Madam, I've not eaten, no. I've not tasted anything oil in this mouth since yesterday.
Why?
It's not Ella. Give me food. They claim, madam. Sometimes I go to ask myself, for this house, who will be really the madam? Now you, I be na Ella. Eh? As I talk to you now, I don't get ulcer. Peptic ulcer.
Hey.
Eh? I believe they don't go this side. They don't want the wrong go this side. They want to push me go front. Okay. I don't even know.
Calm down.
Plus all the punch when I don't punch.
Sorry, Chido, sorry. Calm down. I'll give you food, okay? Just hold on. I'm coming, eh? Let me get you food, okay?
Thank you.
I'm sorry.
Thank you. Thank you. To madam. I talk and say you be better woman. I talk and say in my next world, if I have my chance, I go push your guy come out. I will come marry. My business is mess. Jesus. I'm not your better food, let me make am the air.
Ella, I'm talking to you. Ella, you do not speak to my friend in such a manner. I will not take it from you. Do you understand me?
Wifey, why are you screaming?
Wait, I should allow a total stranger intimidate me in my own brother's house? No way.
And who is dragging that fact with you? Your brother's house. I do not understand. Ella, you should accord my friend some respect.
I will not do that. Respect my food. What are you talking about? Listen, tell her to pack her filthy things and leave this compound. Else.
Else what? Who gave you such right and in whose house are you blabbing about? Listen, Ella. My husband is your brother, yes. No doubt. But you do not come into my house and give stupid orders. Do you understand me?
Says who?
You're asking me.
I need to know.
Okay, fine. I beg you in God's name. Ella, please, let my friend have some peace.
Tell your friend to respect her boundaries in this house. Tell her to maintain her lane, else I will kick her back to the street where she belongs.
Madam, what's the meaning of this?
Madam, you're not going anywhere.
Leave the way I want to go.
Go back to where you belong. Boys quarter.
Ella, I will beat you.
Story.
Ella, I will beat you. Leave my way.
Try it.
I have very important things to discuss with Vivian.
Important words. Look at this one.
Where's that noise coming from? Baby?
I just heard voices.
Yes. I don't... What's that noise?
Samantha's voice.
Samantha's voice?
Yeah.
You think I don't know your type? I know your type. You want to go in there and say, this is my brother. You lie. Homeless beggar.
Are you stupid? Nakwala!
Just slap me. You're very stupid.
Hey! Hey! Stop! Hey! Stop that! Ella.
Samantha!
What the hell is wrong with you?
No, brother. It is not what is wrong with me. It is what is wrong with this witch.
You insult me again.
Shut up!
Samantha, come on. You are above this kind of thing now. You are above it. Stop it.
Baby, don't even go there, Vivian. Don't try to put the blame on me. I have tolerated enough of this idiot!
Auntie Ella, stop fighting every time.
Ella, have you gone crazy? Is something wrong with you? Did you hear what he said? Tell her.
Auntie Ella, stop fighting every time.
Tell the Akbero.
What did even happen for this house? Eh? Ella just they fight everybody. Anybody when you see, you go just fight. Anybody when you see, you go set blow. Like say, they do Mike Tyson. Eh? So you don't do this thing, so you don't go they fight Madam friend, will come. I say only me. I don't talk and say that to donate, you give one imbecile. Go marry, no go marry, you there your brother house. See him now. Nobody when you no go fight. Yeah? Time don't reach where I go, they bring different sizes of cane. As the chief security officer in this place, CSO, I go they bring cane they keep for some kind of people. If I bring dog own, I bring your own, I'll keep her. So that time, I know what I'm doing.
Ella, you have to apologize to her.
For my dead body, will I apologize to her?
I beg your pardon?
And why won't you apologize to her?
Because I did nothing wrong to her.
You did everything wrong. You have no right to talk to her the way you did.
But then you don't understand. She has no good reason coming inside this place.
Anyways, I want to find out when the job will be ready so I can have something that will take me out of the house every day so I don't get to receive insult from this animal.
Don't you dare! Oh, people, don't you dare call me names again.
What will you do if I call you name?
Hey, brother! Tell these old people not to call me names again.
Can we be civil in this place? No.
I'm not Mama.
Can we all be civilized here? Lawson.
Bro.
My house is on fire. When is Samantha getting the job?
What do you mean by your house is on fire?
You won't understand. My sister Ella wouldn't let Samantha rest. She keeps causing trouble in that house. I don't know what else to do.
Are you being serious about this?
Yeah.
Because the Ella I know, she's not a troublesome person. I think you and your wife should really check what the problem is.
Listen, the information I get on a daily is that Ella keeps stressing Samantha every time. So my opinion is this: if Samantha goes to work every morning, I won't be having all of these problems.
That's true though. Well, I spoke with my ND yesterday and she said I should just calm down. And everything is gonna be alright.
But you have to keep reminding her, please. It's very important. Keep reminding her so that, Samantha can get the job.
No problem, bro. Don't need to stress yourself. I'll take care of that.
Alright. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Let's just go. That's why I asked you to stop.
Okay, no problem.
Babe, I was meaning to ask you, why did you break up with Ken?
Ken asks a lot. Besides, he's a woman beater.
What? A woman beater? That's surprising. The same Ken that I know or somebody else? Because he looks calm and calculated.
Hey, see, Vivian, don't be deceived by his looks. At every slight argument, Ken lays his hands on me. He beats me like no man's business.
This is preposterous. Wow.
He's a devil.
Wow. Looks can really be deceptive. Anyways, my husband told me that his friend, Lawson, asked him to beg you to calm down, that very soon your CV will be signed by his boss. So please just lead the patient.
I wish there was vacancy in your husband's company. I would have loved to work there.
Oh. And that would be so nice, but so unfortunate that there's nothing for now. There's no vacancy in this office for now.
Oh.
So, but I know that this one, that you like it, I'm sure. Just calm down. A little more time.
I'll try to be patient.
This woman has to leave this house because I don't like her one bit.
Ella.
Ma?
Come on. Samantha is my friend. You will not talk to her in such a tone. It's not nice.
Wifey, does it look like I care who she is to you? I don't care one bit. If she must stay in this house, then she has to obey. It's as simple as that.
What did you say? Obey you? How? How do you mean?
Hey, brother, I wish I can open your eyes to see through this evil standing beside me. I wish I could open your eyes, you both. Open your eyes to see how evil this woman is. I don't know, why can't you say it? This woman is evil. She has to leave. I don't like her.
Well, if you don't like me, I don't like you either. Have we met before?
Do I need
What's
to
your
meet
problem?
you to see the kind of evil you
Oh,
are?
please shut up your mouth.
You are filled with negativity.
Mechiano.
Ewu.
Anu mpama.
Ah, Mechiego on bigo.
Ella.
Sir?
You have no right to disrespect her or speak to her the way you do. And henceforth, that shouldn't repeat itself again.
Fine. Brother, I heard you. But please, I am begging you. Tell this... I don't even know what to call her. Tell her to mind her business and know her boundaries in this house. Because she is not allowed to be moving up and down or entering this mansion anyhow. She does not belong here. She belongs to the boys' quarter. So let her mind her boundaries. That's all.
Ella, you will not make my friend uncomfortable in my house. I don't like it.
Then she should avoid me. Tell her to avoid me. Kudo we chia. Or where's Kuyo Nayo?
She avoid you. You're not even ashamed of yourself. You're here saying my brother. Your mates are out there. They have their own houses, so they are married in their husband's houses. You're here doing my brother. Listen, we are both squatters.
Aye.
See the real house owners here.
Aye. You don't have sense at all. You are so senseless. At your age, you're just as stupid as your height. What are you doing in my brother's house? What are you doing here?
What are you also doing here?
Hopeless fool.
What are you also doing here?
This is my house.
Are you not ready for marriage?
This is my family.
Which family? Mpama.
Wifey, carry this woman out of this house. I know I'm saying this, so I am looking out for you. Tell this witch to leave your house. You don't have an idea what is going to happen.
You know you're my friend, and I care so much about you.
Akiko.
You see this thing? Send her out of this house. Else, what she will do to you? She's an Ogbanje. I've seen her in my dream before. I've seen her performing.
Hear yourself talk.
This girl will
she sent me out of my own house. You are a foolish woman.
She will finish you.
Story.
Vivian.
Where are you going to? Wifey. See, only me. I'm enough. I'm enough for you. I will personally kick you out of my brother's house. Trust me.
I know well, no.
Come on, get out. What it concern me?
Listen, I will show you better. I will finish you. See that thing you don't like about me?
Forget my size.
I'm evil, it's true. You see that your instinct? Believe it. I'm not good.
What am I doubting it before?
And I will show you
are evil, and I will throw you out of this house.
I accept it with my full chest.
Okay, come.
I accept it.
Samantha, please. I'm very sorry for everything that happened. I beg you to please forgive Ella, please.
I'm not angry.
Come on. You're my friend. And I know you. I know that you're pissed. And I sincerely understand. But I'm just begging you to please just let it go. Let it slide, please.
Why has she decided to frustrate my life? What is my offense? What have I done to her?
Baby, listen. Ella is a stubborn girl. In fact, sometimes she gets me very angry. But I just let it slide. So I'm just pleading with you to kindly let this one slide too. I'll talk to her, I promise. Please.
Okay.
Thank you. You're not smiling. Come on.
Leave this pot. I said you will not cook it. Ella, leave this pot. Adiko, you are daring me. Leave this pot. Leave this. Samantha! I must cook. Leave this pot. Leave this pot. You will not. Are you stupid? You will not use this kitchen. Are you out of your mind? I don't care. Give me this.
What's going on here? It's okay. Hey! It's okay. Leave it. Okay. What is it?
You see this girl, she's very stupid. Vivian asked me to prepare food for her. She doesn't want me to cook in the kitchen. Are you okay? Madam, you will not use this kitchen. In that parlor. Go to the boys' quarter where you belong. Go there. Don't dare me, oh. Sorry. You don't know the stuff I am made of. Don't dare me, Ella. See, I don't want to insult you. Try it. I'm scared if you're my elder. Try it. I will insult you. I will beat you. You cannot. I will beat you to a pulp. Madam, rest. You can't do it.
It's okay. Okay, no. Okay.
Chef Samantha.
Come on, don't lie to you. Okay. Give me where. What is it?
What kind of an animal is this?
Piano! Wait, now me get this slap. 3 slaps at a time. Chief security officer of this vicinity. Of this homospheric place. No problem. Sure, you have seen what waiting with they suffer for this compound. You don't see. Ella have one pain where we get for this house. We will not know as what they come out. That's way be. But as chief security officer, I don't strategize with you. No worry. May no verse. Forgive her. Yeah? Just forgive her. But what it can cause problem when they drag because I know hold this thing for break this see this cover. Very essential. Oga buy and when they travel go Lulu. And I won't take break so. What's it cause this fight this morning?
I'm not in the mood for this dumb question.
Mood for dumb question. Madam, they use mood take answer question. Not be person. You use mood. Not be the same mood you want to fight just now. It's okay. Who the Madam Sam? Come and take on a photo.
Come and sweep, let me see you now.
You can't out of the house. If I'm sweeping now.
You cannot sweep that boy's quarter. Yes, you cannot.
Why will I not sweep the boy if that place is not part of this house?
Sorry.
If I'm not sweeping now I go come and say, Tidodo, you are not doing your work. You will even talk about the owner. Why are you not allowing me to make a sweep where I'm supposed to?
You will not sweep that place.
Why?
Somebody is living there.
No be human being there.
Which human being?
No be human being there.
Okay, now animal they live for there, don't they shout. She should sweep it herself.
It's not part of the
compound. No, she will not sweep it. Don't sweep it.
Ella.
You are an animal, you fool.
Hey, thank God.
Kita.
If you rain insult on me
what will you
again,
do? My friend, put your hand and don't point your fingers at me. Are you stupid? You don't have respect.
Madam, if you're tired of this house, pack your things and get out. This is my brother's house.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Pack your things and get out from this place.
My dear, you cannot ask me to leave.
You will regret ever stepping your feet into this community.
This is a fight between sister-in-law and brother-in-law. The sister is pushing.
What's going
on here?
Brother, good afternoon.
What's going on here?
Oga? Now, madam, friend. Now, your sister, my sweet potato.
Where's your sweet potato? If you call me that nonsense again, I will destroy your life.
Samantha, please go inside.
Brother, is that all you have to say?
Ella, okay. Get into the house now.
Brother, you're taking taking sides, so. You're taking sides, so.
That's an order. Get into the house
She should like
now.
to sweep her house herself now, eh? You should sweep the place herself. I don't know. I don't even understand what is going on in this house.
This girl don't get it.
Chido.
Sir?
Come here.
Sir?
Come around. Come. Come close. Look around you. What do you see?
Okay, I don't see anything. No.
Oh. I have very responsible neighbors. That one there stays in America. This one stays in Paris.
But Oga Piano, na Nigeria you dey.
My friend, will you shut up? Are you crazy?
Thank you, sir.
Will you shut up? Are you crazy? What the hell is wrong with you?
Sorry, sir.
I'm trying to let you know they are noiseless people. Do you understand me?
Okay.
Stop embarrassing me.
Oga, it's not me. It's your useless sister.
Shut up! Now get back to your duty post. Now.
No sweep. Go back to your duty post. Wait, I want to do now. Man, no sweep again.
Hello? Where are the goats? I paid for DHL. What is holding my goats, please? That's not correct, no? Excuse me. You should keep to your words. What do you mean by that? Are you serious? Really? You are saying rubbish, man, please. It is not acceptable. I need to have my goals, please. Ella. 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 Chido! What happened?
So, madam, all this is when they happen, you don't know. Eh? Ha! Not be small fight, oh. Not be small fight. So he remains small, they don't almost break Oga head.
My husband's head?
Yes, your husband's head. Not be small thing. Not be the normal house, the early morning sweep where they sweep. Where they use the break, one break my head for this house. Now they sweep. And they sweep on my own, no. Ella, Madam Ella from nowhere just come and say, why I go they sweep that back? Say that place, I'm not supposed to sweep. I'm saying an animal, they stay that place. I call her say, no be animal. Now Samantha, he said no animal. He said no be animal. He said na Samantha. Now so we talk. Samantha can't hear the thing. Now she can't come out, can't start her own taekwondo. Not be smart, you know. As CSO where I be, I dodge my head. Because the training where they give me for where we go training, they say if you see trouble, dodge. As you dodge, look for weapon. That is no retreat, no surrender. As I look for weapon, I no see. I dodge my head. Oga, I not also Oga no get sense. But as Oga no get sense, can't go put in head. Now the thing just a fly.
Chido! That's enough.
Yes, ma'am.
You can go.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah.
I said you can go. Thank you. Move.
Yes, ma'am. I said I get it. Hi, babe.
Ella, what is wrong with you? Not again. What is wrong with you? What? You don't understand.
Ella, is something wrong with you? Like, what has come over you? Are you mad or something? Are you crazy?
You think I'm crazy?
Yes!
You think I'm crazy?
Yes, I think so.
No problem. By the time you realize the demon you brought into your home, then you will know that I'm normal in a funny way.
Wait. Have you met Samantha before? Like, have you seen her before or something? Because I do not understand.
Sister-in-law, I do not need to meet her. And I don't even want to know her either.
Ella, there's so much hate in your voice. There's this hatred I can feel from your voice. Wait. Ella, is there something you're not telling me?
Absolutely nothing. So let's start.
Auntie Ella,
Yes, my dear.
why do you always like fighting with Auntie Samantha?
First of all, that woman is not your aunt. Alright? She is evil. Very, very bad woman. Do you understand?
But she have done nothing wrong to you.
No, she hasn't done anything wrong to me. But I don't like her one bit.
Just like that.
Brian, look, you asked lots of questions. Let's leave Samantha out of this and concentrate on this assignment. Alright? Good. So this is bag, this is bag, this is beef, and this is bunch. So which one of it is this? It is big. So you circle this.
Hey! Samantha. Huh. That's all me, sir. Samantha is more wine in the one.
Chido.
Huh?
Chido,
Okay.
where did you get the food you're eating?
This is when it can become a crime. Say I chop with hungry me.
I hope it is not what I'm thinking.
What do you think?
Where did you get the food first?
It concern you. It concern you. Anyway, if you want to know where I get the food first, Samantha, give me the food. Hey! You like the food?
Chido, why do you want to die untimely?
I will die for love.
Why do you want to die untimely, Chido?
It concern you.
This food is poison.
Yes, let it be poison. Poison in love. Okay.
Chido, Samantha wants to kill everybody in this house.
And you are still alive. Eh? Wait. Am I sensing jealousy here? Eh?
Chido, Samantha wants to kill everybody in this house.
And you are still alive.
Don't be a victim.
No, and you are still alive.
Hey.
Clarence Peters. Argument, you are too caring. You are too caring. You don't even want to make her die. Wait, I dey sense jealousy. Wait, if you like say you don't dey jealous, abi? Of course. Magana go fine boy. They go do work. Just they go do work. Just they go do work. Okay, we could watermelon. Omu abu beja talker. Look at. The play one of ma. Beja cruise straight to her. You follow by love. Let me put it. Hey! Wait, you told my food on the ground.
I just saved your life.
Which life?
And it's not because I care.
Eh?
It's not because I like you.
So?
I did it because I don't want you to die in my brother's house. That was why I saved you.
Ella, is it wait? Or because wait, now because they call you Ella Piano. I won't give you Peter here. You know Peter anything here, and let me put it to you. Whether you like it or not. No, nonsense. Carry this nonsense, this party in come on for here. Okay.
Oh, really?
Let me tell you. If you love me, come out straight. Tell me, say you love me. I will accept you. I will manage you. Eh? But let me tell you, even Rick Malone is here. After this Rick Malone and everything, let me put it to you. Now, Oshun Jekala Kebo. Do you understand?
Are you still hungry or not?
Ella, please. What I want to hear from you now is the truth. And nothing but the truth.
And what truth are you talking about?
Have you met my friend Samantha from somewhere before she came to this house?
I don't even know your friend.
You do not know her. Then how come you just hate someone you don't know from anywhere? Just like that. Like I do not understand it.
Wifey, I don't like this woman. Okay? There is something evil about this lady. I don't know why you guys can feel it, but I can feel it. This woman is not genuine. Just send her away from this house.
I do not understand. You don't like who? Is she your friend? No, is she here because of you? She's my friend. Like, I don't understand it. What's your problem? Can't you just mind your freaking business?
This lady is your friend, not your blood. Send her away already. She doesn't mean well. I know what I'm talking about. She doesn't mean well staying in this house. It is my business because this is my brother's house.
Really? And this is my husband's house.
Wifey, please, just leave me alone.
If you do not feel comfortable here with my friend around, Ella, please, get a man, get married and get out of my house. Until then, leave my room. You know, I don't know what has come over Ella these days. She's acting so weird.
Imagine me poison Chido. For what reason?
I do not know who is paying her to do this to me. I've asked her severally what the problem is. She kept on saying nothing.
You really have to stop asking her. She hates me for no reason.
Babe, please, I want to beg you, for my sake, kindly forgive her. Please, I'm very sure that she will change. I'm certain. Please forgive her, please.
It's okay. I'm used to her already.
Thank you.
You see what you cause? Shall you see what you don't cause now?
Brush this rug.
Brush which rug?
This one.
This one?
Yes.
As what?
As Chido.
Starting when?
As Chido that you are, you will brush this rug.
For what? No, tell me now. Wait, Oga go give you instruction, make you carry rug, go brush, you carry and come give me as your housemaid? I don't understand. You know since I dey wash car? No, your mind, your eye don't tell you say common sense. If like you, don't tell you say they wash motor.
When you're done washing, you brush the rug.
For what? As what?
As the security guy that you are.
Thank God now you use your mouth now say na me be security guard for here, not houseboy guard.
But Oga said you should wash the rug.
Yes. So now you go inside, Oga go send you message. You go come now, come meet you. Can you think about here?
Chido. Chido.
Okay.
Isusucha, you brush this rug.
Yeah.
That is Oga's instruction.
Oga's instruction.
Between you and I, who is supposed to brush it?
Between you and Oga, who is supposed to bring the rug?
Oh, Oga should know what he is doing and bring the rug to you.
Okay, Oga gave you an instruction to you are looking for your. Let me tell you. If you don't know, stop this nonsense. I'm not your houseboy.
Okay, I see. You obviously do not know your job in this house.
Let me tell you my job in this house if you don't know.
Which is what I want.
Make I tell you. You see for this house, now maybe chief security officer guiding and manning the gate. Your job is to clean the house. You sweep house. You see say rug dirty, you bring them out, you wash them. Not bring them out, you give to Onyejeka Alayosu later.
If you like, brush it. If you like, don't.
No
food for you again in this house.
You are
done. Make sure you brush this.
No try am.
Don't
try am. If you don't know. It's not I will just tell madam. They see, not use my food play because of wrong. If you finish, you can't carry this wrong. Go clean up. I'm a house boy. I'll wait. So.
Mommy.
Right. What is it?
Auntie Ella and Uncle Chigo, they are fighting.
Fighting where?
In the backyard.
Oh my God. Come, please, just go inside. Go inside, right? Go inside. And don't come out, okay? Go inside. Ella! Ella!
I will deal with you.
You will deal with you. Ella, respect yourself.
Show me your power as a man.
Madam, come on.
Show me your power as a man.
Madam, Ella.
Show me your power.
Ella, respect yourself.
Show me.
Madam,
show me your power. I'll kill you today.
Madam,
I'll kill you today.
Madam, don't commit abomination.
Show me your power.
Ella, don't commit abomination.
Oh, okay, now I'm committing abomination. Ella, I am not committing abomination. Ella, come on, stand up. Ella, stop. Let me take this for the lesson today. What is this now? Oh my God. Is there hard mouth?
Shift go down a little bit. My
Ella,
stop this.
I'll kill you in this house. Idiot. Try me next time in this house. Hey!
Oh, she told me, Nana. She told me on the floor.
Come on, stand up. She has gone. Could you ever also?
She has gone. Madam, I can't stand up.
Why?
My waist is broken. Waist is broken.
Your waist is broken, but your mouth is not broken. Hey. Your look at you. Shame on you. A common girl, you're talking and like boom. Hey. Candyman. Call you blame also.
Madam, that girl is not common. That girl is not common. See, even my local government, you almost say, she's not common. Hey, you told me, Nana. You told me on the floor. It's okay. No, if not so, I don't love again.
Love who?
No, I mean,
no, shut up. You know your level. They broke only waist. They also break your head, John.
Seriously, it's too much for this girl called Ella. I'm getting tired of her irrational attitude. Anyways, she's not my problem. My concern is how to be with Jeffrey and make him mine.
Ella, go back to where you're... Leave me alone! Go back to where you're coming from! Ella, you must return to the streets where you belong. You don't belong to this family.
Shut up your mouth. Ella says, for the fact that she now stays in this house, she's not family. Stop it!
God forbid. She can never be part of this family. Never!
I knew she was going to act this way if I came close. No sense.
You're still talking. One more word from you, I swear I'll design your face.
No design what? You know what? Put that knife away. Let's fight it out. You're carrying instrument. Keep it away from I will beat Shaggy out of your body.
Can you just stand there and talk?
Mad woman.
Stand there and talk.
Get out.
Stand there. Don't run. Just stand there.
Ella, stop it.
Hey. What the hell is going on here? Ella, what are you doing with a knife? What the hell is wrong with you? Have you gone mad?
Please, let's call the psychiatric hospital. That's what she needs.
Samantha, come on.
Please. Brother, this woman has to leave. She has to go. She does not belong to this family. Listen, if you don't leave this house, if you don't leave this family, I will design your face in a way that you will not recognize it.
Design whose face?
Ella, drop the knife. I said drop the knife! What the hell is wrong with you? Now get inside.
You will leave this house. Whether you like it or not, you will leave this family. It's a must.
Pack yourself out of this place, I'm Muepa.
Samantha, I'm sorry, okay? I apologize for the embarrassment. I'm so sorry. Please forgive, okay? Besides, I've been looking for you. My friend called me. He said the HR wants to see you. You've been called for the interview.
I don't think I can go. I don't feel too strong.
Well, you need this job.
Oh my goodness.
Samantha,
why did you tell me?
I didn't want to bother you.
You are not bothering me. You're my friend.
Do we go to the hospital?
Yes.
Do we take her to the hospital?
No. I'll be fine. I'm on medication.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure? Let's take you to the hospital.
I'm good. I'm just
We
stressed.
want to take proper care of you.
I'm fine. Trust me.
Okay,
Sorry.
babe, take care of her. Let me find out what Ella is doing.
Okay, my love. Thank you. Sorry.
Your sister is stressing me. I'm tired.
Hi.
I never knew that your mother gave birth to a tigress. My love.
Yeah.
If you see the way Ella sat on Chido yesterday, maybe you'll marvel.
Did they have a fight?
Fight? There was war.
You know, the truth is, Ella never used to be like this before. I mean, she was very quiet when she was growing up. I don't know what happened.
People change. Change is constant in life. So she's grown into a very beautiful woman now, so just changed.
So,
the tigress.
What did Chido do?
Nothing. He was shouting, Madamo, Madamo, Madamo. After I said, my waist don't break. I cannot stand up. I said, really? But I can shout my name, Madamo, Madamo.
Okay. So the thing is, I am not in any way encouraging Chido to hit a woman. But on the other hand, he has to be bold because he's a security man.
Anyways, maybe he was just soft with her because she's your sister, you know? He would not want to get you upset or something.
Well, at this point, I'm speechless. I have nothing to say.
Well, he's your gate man now.
He's my gate man. You brought him to this house through your friend Tina. Don't forget that part.
He's your gate man.
That guy is hilarious.
That was, yesterday I was like, get up. He said, my waist don't break. Really? Really?
What do I do now? I want to be in Vivian's position. I want to enjoy everything that she's enjoying. I don't even need the job anymore. They can have it for all I care. All I want is Jeffrey. Look at the kind of car he bought for her. See how she's enjoying her life. I think if I take her away, I will drive the car and I will enjoy everything that she's enjoying. Take her away. That is what I will do.
Ella, what the hell is wrong with you? What has come over you? Do you know the implication of what you did? If you kill her, what happens next?
Brother, no, I didn't mean to kill her. I didn't even mean to stab her. I just wanted to scare her away so she can leave my brother's house.
Ella, you don't go around playing with sharp objects. Huh? If something happens to her, everybody in this house would get into trouble. Do you know that?
Brother, I am sorry. But there is something about that girl. I just don't like her.
Something about her. What about her? And why don't you like her?
I can't explain how I feel about her, but there is something evil about her. From the moment she stepped her feet into this compound, I don't know, everything about her, the vibes that comes from her energy, it's so negative.
Ella, it's impossible to dislike someone or hate someone for no reason. Everything happens for a reason.
There is a reason, but I can't explain it.
Okay, you have every right to feel the way you're feeling. You're entitled to your opinion. But the truth is, if anything happens to her, I won't be going to jail with you. Have that at the back of your mind.
The dance you're about to dance is a dance of the spirits. Are you sure you are ready to embark on this journey?
Great Zazu, I am ready to do anything to get Jeffrey.
Take this. Sprinkle the substance in front of her door. If she matches it, she will have an accident and die on the spot.
Is that all?
You must carry out this assignment by midnight. That way, your wishes will come to pass.
Great one. I hope there are no repercussions to this.
There are no repercussions. When she dies, come, and I will tell you the next thing to do.
Okay. Thank you, great one.
Wickedness everywhere, human beings can never be trusted. Be careful, my dear, before you fall their victim. Wickedness everywhere, human beings cannot be trusted. Be careful, my dear, before you fall their victim. Wickedness everywhere, human beings can never be trusted.
Brian! Lord of Jesus! How many spoons did you eat? Brian, answer me! How many spoons did you eat?
At the end, I want to throw away my ice cream.
Because the ice cream is poisoned.
Poison how?
Yes! Look, do not ever take anything from that evil woman again. Do you understand? Look at me. Look at me. Do you understand? Answer me. Do you understand? Good.
But that is not fair.
But that's not fair. Yeah, follow me. Don't even step on it. Don't. Good. Let's go.
Baby?
What is it? Why is your face like this?
Auntie Ella threw my ice cream away.
Your ice cream?
Yes.
Who bought you ice cream?
Auntie Samantha.
And Auntie Ella threw it away?
Yes.
But why?
She said that is poison.
Auntie Ella told you that?
Yes.
Okay, it's okay. Ella, please don't you ever say such words to my son again.
I only helped my nephew escape a trap set for him by that evil friend of yours.
Ella, come on. Stop being silly. My friend is not evil and you know it. She hasn't done anything wrong to you. Please.
I pour away the ice cream because I don't want to lose him. I don't want him dead.
Ella, come on. Please. I indulge you to please stop saying such things to my son. He's too young to hear them. I do not appreciate it. Please.
My nephew is too young to be surrounded by evil. Send her away.
Great Zazu! Answer me!
Samantha! What did you do? Madam! What up? Wait happened?
Don't tell Madam about this.
You say you don't dey shout now. But make I ask you more question. Wait, why you be say people, human beings, they wicked? That thing where you carry, what do you want you to do?
My devil.
Okay, don't call devil. Devil now push you so that you carry juju, enter inside house will be like this. Your friend house. What do you want key? I'm sorry that my father where they train. Now you want key.
No, I won't kill anybody.
Okay, now person you want key.
No.
Okay, no problem. The only thing will go happen be say, I don't look and find out say if I'm not doing like this, I go keep quiet. But that one condition.
Which condition?
You were sleeping with me for here this night. I say,
Why now?
Okay, because of this and why now, we'll not be only this night. We go dey do them every night. Anytime I want them, if I just call you or I do, you go find me.
Chido, this is not fair now. Which can't you talk like this? I cannot do it all.
You go do them, you no go do them. Or make I go tell madam, say, see waiting, I use my eye, they see.
I go do them.
You go do them? Smile. If you don't smile, I go tell madam. Smile.
Samantha, Samantha.
Vivian,
yes, ma'am.
Your husband asked me to call you. He's waiting for you downstairs.
Thank you. I was searching for my phone, but I've seen it now.
You guys are going out?
Yes, we are.
My friend, your husband is taking very good care of you.
My babe. Say no more. My husband. My husband. Okay, Gibe. Hey, a man above men. Only my husband is men. He's not just a man, my sister. I'm blessed. Like, sincerely, I'm blessed. And my husband is a gift to me from God. He's everything I want in a man and more. My husband is a man and more. He's I took the best man, the remaining best man in the world. I just took him. My husband. He pampers me. He loves me. He's everything. He's everything I want her. Babe, my husband. No. This marriage, I'm enjoying it. The guy is sweet. Sweet everywhere. I love it. You know, I pray to God to give you a good man too. Like my husband. If at all they are still remain because I took the last one. You know, a man that buys me gifts, gives me things when I don't ask for. Just maybe take this, carries me, pampers me. Even on bed is sweet. My husband, sweeter than honey. A man and more. Babe, don't worry. Please just leave it. In fact, as I'm talking to you now, like I'm getting all sweet and wet up. My husband is a man and more. Okay, baby, please, don't worry. We're going out. You can come with us if you want to.
No, I'm okay.
Are you sure? I'll see you later, okay?
Alright.
Alright, then.
Bye.
Yeah.
Chido can stop me from executing my plans. I will find a means to accomplish my mission and become the madam of this mansion. How will I do this now? I have to be with Chido to convince him so that I can carry out my mission, even if it means sleeping with him every day.
Chido! Chido! Get me idiot! Chido!
Wait, why you really call my name like that?
What? Stay here. Don't leave here. Just stand here. Please. Take.
As what?
Oga, take this and sweep this compound. Sweep this compound also. You know?
Starting when?
Are you blind?
No, starting when?
Can't you see how dirty this compound is?
Wait, now because of this you make you go drag me like Nama come here?
You not be Nama. Are you not a Nama? Oga, begin start sweeping also.
I know well. I will do am later.
Come on, stand here.
I don't stand.
Grab this broom and sweep, idiot!
What is going on here?
Wifey, it's good that you're here. Look at the compound. Look at how dirty everywhere is. And I'm telling this fool to sweep, he refused to sweep.
Okay, good morning, sir.
What's going on here?
Shut up! Brother, Chido doesn't do anything in this house. Even to sweep is a problem. He doesn't do anything in this house. I'm telling him to sweep the compound, he refuses to sweep it.
Wait!
Chido, you shouldn't be reminded to do the chores in this house.
You're very correct, sir. I am not supposed to be reminded. But you see this your sister? You didn't find my trouble for this house.
Is that the question?
Wait.
Alright, hey. You know what? See me inside, babe. Let's go.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Ugwologu is gone. No payment for you this month. Oh yeah, start sweeping. My own is for you to sweep this compound so it to be neat. That's my own.
No problem. You see, if not because of one thing, because of the love and likeness I have for you.
Love you.
In short, anyways, Oshun Jekala Cable. Okay, no. Okay, call me. Go!
Chido.
Okay.
Ella is a woman. And women are weaker vessels. So you have to ignore her sometimes.
Okay, Oga. But Oga, you see that your sister? That your sister, they find trouble. That your sister, they always give me problem for this compound. She don't forget saying that me be the chief security officer in charge of this place. Eh? I go to avoid them. I go to ignore them. That's the way you talk. I go to ignore them. He go to find my trouble. If I hide the trouble, now he go use his hand, go find and come. He do so the thing when they pursue him for back, begin to find my trouble too.
Madam. Come on. You've been here with Ella for so long. You should get used to her by now. Come on.
Madam, I'm used to her. I'm used to her stupidity. But I'm not used to her looking for my trouble. I'm avoiding her. I don't avoid this girl, avoid them so I can't even ask myself, say, Kedo, we may hear me. Yeah? Not considering the fact that Oshun Chekala,
Chido.
Okay.
I want to believe keeping the entire compound tidy is part of your job, right?
Yes, okay. But okay, I know say that me they at fault for that one. You know, so I know they do all that kind of thing before. Before once I wake up, everywhere don't clean. But I gotta get problem. Yesterday, I don't know what I chop. It is with me, so I begin purge. I purge, so I purge, and you know what thing they follow purge. I purge, reach this morning. The smarter when I get, make I take sleep. I can't say make I rest more. As I wake up this morning, because the sleep no complete, I can't get headache. It go knock me for this side. I go stand up. It go knock me for this side. I go stand up. Purge go come. I go follow and go purge finish. I go come back. So the thing do. I can't say, I'm short. I don't can't get strength to take clean compound. But I know so I go do a later. No versa.
Alright. Quite understood. Like I said, even if she gets you upset, you need to ignore her.
Please. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
My Oga. Oga, you see you be better person. You see, I don't talk and say, in my next life, I go be gate man and I go be your gate man. See as you come fine. See, madam, better person. You better person. Tough na come marry. My Oga. My Oga piano, I'm a piano. Oga piano, I'm a piano. With Madam Woto.
Chido, don't you have something to do?
I get.
Alright, you can go back to your duty post.
Thank you, ma.
Oga piano.
This guy is hilarious. Like, what the hell was that?
Oga piano. What was that?
I don't know. That's fun.
So sorry. Oh my goodness. Samantha, sorry about that. Sorry.
It's okay. I actually brought the watermelon for the both of us. That's why I got it sliced.
Thank God though. Only God knows the reason why you pulled away.
What was that supposed to mean?
I did not say anything bad. The deed has been done, so do the needful.
Come on, Ella. That's too harsh. Come on.
Yeah, where are you going to? My friend, will you come and pack this thing out? You expect me to pack it for you? Zuzuri, be pack here, you also saw. Come and pack it now, you're looking at me. See, wifey, I am not touching this. Don't even ask me to pack it because I will not. Call her to pack it, oh.
Ella. Samantha. Samantha.
What are you doing? Pack it yourself. Viviana.
Wait. Where they carry your nonsense sleep they go? See,
You no go kiss me and you no go touch my breast. Just go straight to the point.
Which kind of talk with that? No, tell me, where they from they do that kind of thing where you talk just now? No be from club they enter dance. I no go do trafficator, do headlamp, do everything before you tell me say you don't go to.
Sorry, Oga go soon come. Be dey waste time more. Do this thing fast more.
No, no rush me. No, no quarrel. When they do the things when they do, I rush you. Don't worry you. I enjoy. Allow me, I enjoy. Talk anyhow. Allow me to enjoy myself.
Oga, fast, come put this in. No.
Take it easy. Let me enjoy myself. You're me and you did this house. Respect yourself.
Oga go soon come more. I don't understand you.
Since start to when? Tell me, Oga go soon come. Allow me to enjoy myself. Allow me to enjoy myself. Allow me to.
What's you the warm up for? These 2 seconds of the night, the warm up for you. You dey go war.
Respect yourself. Respect yourself.
You don't get shame.
You know, so I go first jack myself first before I start. Oh, yeah, quick.
Oga don't come. You just say you don't waste your time.
No, your camera.
Do things now you no agree.
What you do?
What you want my leg for?
Respect yourself. See, I don't dey hot like this as I do here.
I be come here for my leg. Oga don't come now. Stop this thing now. You will injure me. What is wrong with you? Get off from my boat.
Someone. Hey, madam. Oh, madam, good morning.
Good morning.
Hey.
I can feel the excitement in the air.
Yes, the air is filled with excitement.
I see. What is going on?
Madam, now big surprise, though. Big thing where God just do for me. He do me wonder. He dey do wonder. Eh?
Okay. Okay. Let me ask you, did you win a lottery?
Madam, I don't win lottery. But this one, when I tell you where God do for me, he big pass lottery. You see, God, he prepared a table before me in the absence of my enemies.
He prepared a table for you in the presence of your enemies.
That is another thing I talk. He prepared them. Anyhow, whether they did, they know them. God don't prepare them already.
Okay.
He put the food. Come put shaki. Put obey. Put roundabout. He put aquarano. He put tozo inside. Say, one man. Chorificate.
Okay. I think this is something good. I want to hear it, please.
No, madam, if you lose watch now, you go see the time no day again. Just go where you dey go. Once you come back, I will give you the lowdown of the gist.
Chido, I do not mind sharing this time with you. Can you please? I'm itchy. I want to hear it. Say something, please.
Madam, everything dey okay. Oh. No problem. No be my testimony. I say when you come back, I go share it with you. You don't worry. Like you don't go late where you dey go. If you come back, let me go remind you. Tell you say, madam, that testimony I go tell you. Make you don't go late.
Okay, if you say so.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
But you know, on a very serious note, I like this mood for you.
Hey, you like the mood?
Please open the gate.
So I should continue.
I like the mood.
He dey do wonder. The big gate. Okay. He dey do wonder. He dey do wonder.
Samantha. Samantha. Come on. Please. Can you just let this thing slide? I beg you, please. Forgive her. Okay, fine. I'll talk to her. Calm down, please.
Look, I don't know why Ella is doing this. I have tolerated her enough and I'm tired. I'm exhausted. What is this?
I understand. But I'm begging you to please just ignore her. Let this one slide, please. Okay, fine. I will speak with her. Is that okay?
I know why she's doing this. Because I'm living in her brother's house. Innit?
Come on, Samantha. Come on. That's far from it. Come on. Don't sound like this now. I told you before that this girl is like this sometimes. Just ignore her. Let her be.
Why would she block the backyard with a rope? Why does she want me to dispose my waste bin? Okay. What's this disrespect?
Fine. I will tell Chido to dispose your waste bin for you. Is that okay?
It's not about you telling somebody to dispose it. It's her attitude towards me. I'll beat that girl one day. I'll beat her.
Samantha, I don't like troubles. Please, can you just let it slide?
One how?
Samantha. How many times did I call you? Wapake with no face, Samantha. Sepake with no face. Samantha, retrieve your steps. Samantha, retrieve your steps. Samantha.
Get up. Chido. Get up. Oh, you set leg like crab.
Samantha, what happened?
Something dey vex me. I'm not happy at all.
What dey vex you?
That useless Ella. Tie me with rope. Oh God.
He tie you with rope? What you doing?
Ask me. I know. This girl just dey torment my life for this house.
Wait, I go just tie you with rope. You drink? You drink, God begin to destroy things for us.
I was sleeping. I woke up and met ropes on my leg and hand. This girl tie my leg, tie my hand. Which kind of nonsense be this? If not for the intervention of Vivian. You see this girl, they try me. This girl, they piss me off. One day I go lose am. You see this screw and knot went in my head. One day I go lose am. And it go happen soon.
It good. It make it happen soon. Lose am for here because I'm to my own benefit. Ella no try. At least thank God Prophet Vivian intervene.
I don't understand why this girl they vex me like that. I don't know what I do.
Sorry. Yeah? Sorry. No we leave Ella matter. Yeah? It made me call you before now. You know say that one we do yesterday. I like her well. As it be like this now, make we arrange ourselves. As it be like this now, look very well from here down. My radiator is overheating. And so we need, we pour water inside. Just like yesterday. No problem, shout. Do everything when you want to do. Nobody there has, only me and you there has. Even guess where they shout now by spec. It come there as it come there like this now. Don't worry. Arrange bed. This bed will hear them today.
Chidi, what did they do you?
I arrange bed.
Are you normal at all? You get sense?
See, today, I will start with gear 1. Not sitting with like this. I will start with that. And once I then enter the second one. Anyhow, when you see me there like this, let me say don't finish. All those other ones for yesterday own. Today own you will enjoy them. Oh yeah.
But what did they do you, Chido? Why you no get sense? I they talk something important. Look at the nonsense you are spewing from your mouth. I they talk something when they important. They talk about they talk nonsense.
They talk nonsense.
She na girl when they shout, na be your spec. Na man when they knock me correct money, na be my spec. I don't blame you. Na condition I make refuge ben. On a very good day, Chido, if you see me for you go fit talk to me. No, you go fit. I know. See this nonsense where they happen. You go soon stop. Don't worry.
Don't try, bro.
I get your cure. Don't worry. I'm not blaming you. It'll be your fault.
If only I chop off.
Useless human being.
If only I chop off. If only I chop off. The man when they knock you better money, then you they be your spec. It's okay. No problem. Don't be near you for this house. No, I don't like it. Yesterday, you want to if you enjoy them, you want shout, I will cover your mouth. Now I don't tell you now, make you feel free. Shout as you want. Now my spec. You not agree. That's what guys they do. Eh?
Please, madam, I suspect it's my battery. Please, just step into your battery, please.
What happened to it? Sorry.
Please, help us with your battery.
Jesus.
I suspect it's battery.
Madam, what happened?
How can you tell me with this kind of a tire?
Tire?
Jesus.
What's up with tire now?
Now move it. Move it. Move it. Go. Move. Move. Move it fast. Move. Move! Move it fast! Move! Move!
This is going weird. Ah! Jesus! 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 God forbid! God forbid! God forbid! Nothing happened to Julia. I think something is wrong. Something is wrong. Chimo! God forbid! Hey. Forbid. My daughter will not die. Hello, Vivian. Hello. Please, my daughter. You need to be very careful. I'm fine. There's nothing wrong with me.
My daughter, I had a very terrible dream. Do you have any issue with anyone?
I don't have any issues with anybody.
I had a dream where you were shot dead by unknown men.
Shot to death?
Yes, and I'm very scared.
Mama, that's not possible. And besides, I don't have any issue with anybody.
Please, my daughter, you need to be very prayerful. I have already prayed against it. Please be careful.
Okay, Mama, I will. Please take care of yourself. And once I have the chance to come see you, I will do that.
Okay, my daughter. Be careful, please. Oh?
Okay, Mama. Please take good care of yourself, okay? Yes, Mama.
Good dream. Pray that not happen to my daughter. Oh, please.
Mommy,
Yes, my son.
I want to see Grandma.
Of course, you will see Grandma, okay? Once school closes, we'll go see Grandma, okay?
Okay, Mommy.
That's my boy. Alright, come on, take a juice.
Wickedness everywhere. Human beings can never be trusted. Be careful, my dear, before you fall their victim. Wickedness everywhere.
Yeah.
Do you know Naomi is now in the US?
Naomi. Like, look at Naomi. That one that can't even spell her name in class that people used to mock. This life is so funny.
She is now a US citizen.
What a world. This life is so unpredictable. I'm telling you the truth. But anyways, we just thank God for life.
Yes, so.
Madam.
Chido, what is it?
I mean, they talk about that supermarket where you say you want to go buy something that time. I feel volunteer. I feel carry myself. Make I go help you buy the thing.
Chido, I'm not buying anything. You know. If I want to buy something, I'll let you. I'll call you. Okay?
Okay.
Are you deaf? She said she doesn't want to buy anything. Get out.
Chido, if I want something, I'll call you. Okay?
It's okay, madam.
Thank you.
Thank you, madam.
Samantha, come on. That's too harsh. That's too harsh.
You need to fire this security, seriously, because I don't understand what you're doing with him.
No. Chido is like that. He's a funny person. It's like that. Get used to him. Okay?
Sorry.
Samantha, come on now.
Ordinary ball. A small ball. They take like personal.
It's very, very annoying and disgusting.
I don't like it. Come on. Chido, stop it. Come on, don't be silly.
Sorry, it's a mistake. Junior.
Wickedness everywhere. Human beings can never be trusted. Be careful, my dear, before you fall their victim. Wickedness everywhere. Human beings cannot be trusted. Be careful, my dear, before you fall their victim. Wickedness everywhere. Human beings can never be trusted. Be careful, my dear, before you fall.
Why you drop me like that?
What is it?
Huh? What is it? I've come for today.
What do you mean you have come for today? Must we do it every day?
Samantha, it's every day. It's every day. Make me no quarrel. No try me. No give me this. Don't me they do pinking girl for. Remember we get agreement. Sure you know.
Look, I'm not in the mood for this nonsense.
Me nonsense. Hey, shekede. Me nonsense. You go there in the mood. No, by the time I start shouting, madam, if I start shouting now, you will know that I'm not joking.
I thought we had it 3 times yesterday.
No, 3 times is it enough? Is it enough? No, look me as I stand like this now. 245 horsepower. Every time my body they hot, I need them anytime from you. And anytime when I call you, you answer. This is by fire, by force.
Oh yeah, go to my quarters. I'm coming. Go and wait for me.
Now you come. See, this time around, you say we do it 3 times. This time around, 4 we will do. If we do the first one finish, we go rest. We enter second one, we go rest. We enter third one, we go rest.
Wickedness everywhere. Human beings can never be trusted. Be careful.
See, Chido, you have to stop acting the way you do in presence of Vivian. Very soon she'll start suspecting us.
Who want them?
Don't you see the way she looks at you whenever I shout at you? She's beginning to suspect us.
I will forget that. The most important thing is we don't do. And we will do them every day.
And very soon it will stop.
Is everything? Talk again. No. Talk this thing when you talk again. Man, I hear you. Even to even talk again, don't let you talk. Just stop. Do not try me. All these stars and everything why you know they like her. The one where you do what I take at you stop. Respect yourself.
They deceive yourself. If I make idea go. On the second thought. Chido. I go sleep for here. I hear I go pass the night.
You say anything?
Which of you say what you know make I sleep for here? No, you say allow me to enjoy yourself. Go enjoy yourself now.
Not be me sing the song. That person singer. That's what they do.
No, wait. You won't sleep for here, Tutu.
I don't sleep already. Go lock the door, Muku enter business. See, you could do sharp because you sleep carry me. I don't go get to do anything again.
That's what you do. Freely you receive, freely you give. You see when you talk like you mean them?
You two talk. Lock the door, start something. Time they go. I'm sleeping.
It's okay.
Wickedness everywhere. Human beings can never be trusted. Be careful, my dear, before you fall their victim.
Let me give my husband food. I'll be back very soon, yeah?
Okay, ma.
Who's your
You're my madam now.
Who? Let's go, John.
You are my madam.
Make sure my husband is fine here back.
I will. I will.
Go inside.
Brian, your food is here, okay? Better be a good boy.
Madam, you want about?
Open the gate.
Okay. I beg. Are they hungry? You see this morning, the hunger where they my belly now, it be like where Afghanistan they play with Chelsea. Sorry, Baka they play with Chelsea.
Chido, how is that my business?
It's your business, don't be you in the kitchen. See, you see yesterday night, I sleep like cow. I can't even the snow. Even Samantha.
I don't understand. You answer. I don't get it.
No, I just you know when I sleep sometimes I go they say Santa for inside dream. So now what happen? No verse. Now sleep of tooth.
Chido, go back to your duty post. When food is ready, I'll get yours.
Okay, no problem. I just want to make you know. I beg, make it quick. Hurry up. How?
Hello? Yeah, Mr. Jeff speaking. Mr. Jeff speaking. What? Sorry. Are you serious? What hospital? What hospital?
But I heard you scream. What is it? What is happening? What happened in the hospital?
Vivian is involved in an accident.
What?
The doctor said she's in coma.
Which hospital? Which hospital? But I need to come with you. Chito! Chito! My friend, open that gate! Open the gate!
Okay, the gate! No, okay. Wait. What happened? Okay, the gate. Wait, what happened? Okay. Ella, wait. What happened? This woman don't die. I saw this woman didn't die. This woman didn't die. Who will go be my madam now? God is not to make I need that tell you this thing. If na person na he kill this woman, make he come take over this house. God, I beg. Make the spirit of this woman stand up. Make him grind both his nose and his tongue together. Eh? This better woman. Who will come be my madam for this house? Yeah? See better woman, Madam Uto. He don't die like that. Hey! Oh!
She was more like a daughter to me. Very nice girl. Yeah, just like that. You're leaving us. Oh, this is so painful. This is so painful.
Agnes, our wife. Ella, my daughter. We have done the needful. Yes. We have just lowered her body to the grave.
Just like that? Lowered her just like that? Oh, Vivian, no now.
And your son is just there, still there, supervising to make sure that they cover up the grave very well. Yes. You see, Vivian was a woman loved by all in this family. Yes. Because she was a free mixer and good to all. Yes. We miss her so much. Seriously.
Good girl.
We take solace in the fact that in all things, we give God the glory. That's it. God knew that maybe by this time we'll be missing her. Because I know that God knows best. Whatever we will do to make sure we put the effect behind, we will do it. So everyone should calm down and let us be consoled. Let's take heart. Let's not just cry like those that have no hope. We have hope.
Oh yes, and you see, I pray that the Almighty God will give us the strength to bear this loss.
This irreparable loss.
Very irreparable.
My elders, thank you. Thank you for coming out to support my family in this trying time. We're grateful. Thank you, elders.
Oh, I can't believe, or is it a dream, that Vivian has left us?
Are you still asking that question, whether it's still a dream? When you were part of us that lowered her down to the
So Vivian is no more with us. I can't see Vivian again. That's it. The gods of our land. I pray we are not going to bury our loved ones again. I pray that our children will live long and grow white hair.
Jeffrey, you really have to stop thinking about her. She's gone and she's never going to come back to your life.
I miss my wife.
I know. But she's gone. Look. I'm here for you. I'm here to keep your company and take her place.
You need to stop. I'm still mourning my wife.
I know, and that is why I'm here. To make you feel good and forget about her.
Get on. Now. Leave.
You're asking me to leave?
I'm saying it politely because I do not want to raise my voice. So get out. You won't leave? Alright, I'll do the leaving.
Wickedness everywhere. Human beings can never be trusted. Be careful, my dear, before you fall their victim. Wickedness everywhere. Human beings cannot be trusted. Be careful, my dear, before you fall.
300 million. That's a lot. He has to bring down the price.
Be trusted. Be careful, my dear, before you fall their victim. This life is
Brother Jeff, I saw Samantha leaving your room. I hope all is well.
All is well, Ella.
Brother Biko, I just want you to be very careful with that woman.
Ella,
Brother.
I don't think Samantha is a bad person.
Brother, I am not arguing that with you. All I'm saying is that you should please be careful with her. That's all, just be careful.
Alright, I heard you.
Food is ready. Come downstairs for breakfast.
I'll be with you shortly.
Alright, I'm waiting.
Before you fall their victim. Wickedness everywhere.
Great one. The deed has been done.
Yes. With the great Zazu, nothing is impossible.
But Great One, I'm worried.
Why?
What if they find out I killed her? And what if her spirit attacks me? I'm scared.
Don't be scared. I am strongly behind you.
What do I do, Great One?
Simple. Take this. Add the substance to your bath water. First, her spirit shall have no power over you. Second, the people will forget to find who killed her. You must attend the burial. And on the night of the burial, take this. Go to her grave and chain her spirit.
Okay.
That is final.
Okay, thank you, great one. Thank you.
It's okay, get up. Get up, people, get up. No, now, don't do this. Hey. Don't do this, speak up. Hey. This is not good. I've been telling you to put yourself together. Huh? Put yourself together. Hey, sit down. Sit down. Hey, sit down. Hey, it's okay. It's okay. What's going on? I've been telling you. I didn't even know you went back there to go and cry. Eh? I've been telling you to pull yourself together. No amount of this cry will bring Vivian back. She's gone forever. Onne. Biko, it's okay.
My dear, it's hard for me to forget her. I feel like joining her in the land of the dead.
God forbid. It will not be your portion. Makaginizi, we've not recovered from Vivian's own impano. Hey, Chukwa, you will not join her. Why are you talking like this? My son is there for you. Yeah? My son is there for you. He's taking care of me. He will also take care of you. And besides, we have a grandson, remember? Yeah?
You will not understand. But one thing I know is that whosoever that killed my daughter will not go free.
That is what all of us are saying.
My God will not spare them.
Whoever it is, it will never be well with him or her. Huh? Ndo, it's okay. But try and console yourself.
Hey.
Enugo, put yourself together. You can't continue like this.
My only daughter.
It's okay. I'm also pained. Everybody is pained, including my son. Oh.
Hi, Jim. What a wicked word.
It's okay.
Which kind of talk is this? Why you dey make her look like say our deal don't end?
Which useless deal? Please leave this place.
Mo leave this place.
Get out.
You dey stress me. See, Samantha, you dey stress me. No use me play. You don't know why I keep quiet all this time now, because Madam Death touch me. That made me keep quiet. But as it be now, the thing they hot. I want them now.
No, wait, Chido. Must I have sex with you every day?
They don't concern you. If you like, have it every minute. The minute is, anytime I call you, you come.
Take your cheap ass out of this. Get out.
Okay, no problem. I will go tell your guy with my eyes. You know, so I catch you.
Hey, Chido, calm down now. You never reach like that.
You see? He who laugh last, now they laugh best. You don't see her. Now my own, now they laugh pass. You will come and me no come. No, tell me now, because as I be that, I will just walk and go meet up straight.
I will come, but when night reach, I will come.
Yeah, I won't even better. So that if you do finish, we will use that thing rest. If you get extension. Good morning, sir.
Chido.
Sir?
What are you doing here?
Jeffrey, good morning.
Good morning.
Sir, you know, say morning don't come, hunger day. So I called tell Samantha, make you give me food at the hungry.
Hey, hello. Which one is Samantha? You can't put madam on it. Am I your mate?
Oh, that's alright. You can give him some food to eat, alright? Just go. She'll bring it over.
Okay, Samantha, after you bring the food, yeah? Okay. No problem.
It's alright. Just go. They'll get you food to eat.
Thank you, sir.
Jeffrey, would you like me to make you breakfast?
No, that won't be necessary. My sister will do it. Thank you.
The person I trust asking me what the the person I trust has destroyed my life. If I the person I trust has killed me. If I the person I trust.
Baby, I brought some watermelon for you. Watermelon with my mind.
You need to stop this, Samantha. Stop it.
After all I did, just to have my best friend, but now she
What the hell is wrong with you? Listen, I can't do this with you. Have you thought about what people would say? Come on! You're my wife's friend! I love my wife. I can't do this.
You can't love a dead person.
She's not dead to me. Okay? She isn't dead to me.
Look, if you led me into your life, you will not regret it. You will scream when you make love to me.
You need to stop this. Stay at a place, come on! Pull yourself together!
Why are you doing this to me?
You know what, get out. Get out! Get up, get up! Get up! What nonsense is this? We go get some ice cream, then the toys you talked about, okay? How many? 5, 4, 3? 3, 2, 1 toy. Hi.
Hi.
What's up?
I'm good. I can see you guys are going out. Can you drop me off?
Yeah, sure. I can drop you off on my way to get some stuff for you.
No, you will not follow us. I don't.
Hey.
Why? But
Brian.
I'm your auntie.
Brian, what's wrong with you?
Samantha, you heard the boy. Don't stress him too much. Go out there and get yourself a car.
Ella, are you alright? What's wrong with you? Why are you encouraging him to disrespect her?
That is not our business.
It's okay, fine. I'll find my way. It's okay.
Ella, what's wrong with you now? What is it? You know what? Everyone go inside. I said get inside, in fact. Move. Let's go.
Brother, you needed to see what that man did in that burial.
What did he do?
Jesus! Immediately the rain was dropping on the floor and the man stopped it. That man is so wonderful.
Wonderful? What do you mean wonderful?
Hello.
Those people are...
Everyone, what's this gist in your ear? Hi, Brian.
How are you? This place, don't play with us.
Hey, Brian, what's that? She can play with us. She can stay with us.
No, I hate her.
Hey, what do you mean you hate her?
Brian, why are you rude to me all of a sudden? This is very unlike you.
Madam, you heard the little boy. Just go back to the boys' quarter where you belong. Eh? Don't even know what you're doing in here.
She's your auntie, right?
She's not my auntie. Let her leave this place.
Samantha, I apologize for his actions. I don't know what the problem is, but I promise to find out, okay?
Brother. Why are you apologizing? Brian didn't say anything wrong. This woman should go back where she's coming from now.
Ella, can you shut up? Take him to his room.
I should take Brian or she should go.
Take him to his room.
Okay. Why the witch stays?
Hey, what's wrong with you now?
Okay, Brian, let's go. Brother, be careful though. Just be careful.
Samantha, I'm sorry, okay? I apologize for that. I'll find out what the problem is, okay?
It's okay.
Have you had something to eat?
Yes.
Alright.
Make love to me.
Samantha, what is wrong with you? Can you stop this? Listen, my son is around. My sister is around. Okay? They're going to see us.
I don't care.
You're going to put me into trouble.
Look, this is what I want right now. Listen, let me ask you this question. How have you been coping since you lost Vivian to the cold hands of death?
God has been great. I have neighbors around.
Baby, look. You know your son offended me not so long. And right now, I'm not happy. If you make love to me, I'll be so...
Samantha, stop! They're gonna... Can you stop it?
Am I missing something here? Samantha! I'm sure you know your plans will not work towards my brother.
I doubt. You know why? Your brother is already mine.
The reason you're here is gone. Your friend is dead. Pack your things and leave!
The only person that has the right to send me out of this house is my man, your brother. But unfortunately for him, he will not die. Because I have a soul resting on my palm. Remember, your instinct told you I am evil. Yes, I'm actually evil. The day your brother will attempt to send me out of this house, I will squeeze him, crush him, and kill him.
Do you even listen to yourself when you speak? Do you even know the kind of evil that comes out of your mouth? I knew it. I said it. Look at you. The evil in you is beginning to unfold. But let me tell you something. Samantha, you will never, ever succeed. That plans of yours will never work on my brother. Homeless fool. Idiot.
You stupid. Are you mad?
Samantha, you slapped me again in this house. Slapped me again! You wreck! What is wrong with her?
Wait, Cecil. I have a problem. Her son is my problem in that house. He sees me as a very bad person. And whenever his father is around, he says all sort of evil things against me.
He is next to be eliminated.
Eliminated? But great one, the boy is still a child. He's very little.
The boy must be eliminated, otherwise he will expose you.
How will he know I killed his mother?
The boy has a strong spirit. One day, he might speak out.
Great one, is there no other suggestion? Is there no way we can go about this instead of killing the child?
You have to kill the boy and get what you want. Otherwise, all your efforts shall be in vain.
Great one, I thought you said there is no repercussion.
There is no repercussion. I will always protect you.
This is really difficult for me. It's difficult. That boy is still a child.
Bro, I really don't understand what is going on. You mean after all my sweat, she refused to collect the job I gave to her?
Absolutely. So, because of the consistent problems happening in this house, my son doesn't want Samantha here anymore. As young as he is, he's asking her to leave.
Why?
I don't know. He said to me that his mother is no longer alive. That's a good reason for her to leave. And I'm so surprised because how can a young boy, a boy of his age, say those type of words?
There's something about this whole thing that we are really not getting. But then I suggest we give Samantha some time. Who knows, she might change her mind.
I hope so.
But my only concern is this. I just pray my MD doesn't change her mind.
Exactly my point. That is my concern as well.
Well, we just got to be positive about all this.
Oh, she's crazy, man. I don't know what to do with this.
Brian, tonight you will sleep and you will not see the next day. The great Zazu will come for your soul. You will join your mother in the land of the dead. Great Zazu! It is time to take your soul for eternity. Great, so they're about to throw me out of the house.
Sit. Is the charm I gave you not working?
Great one, it's working. He supported me on the issue, but as it stands, I don't think it's enough.
Speak, and Great Zazo will do it for you.
Great one, I want him to be my husband. I want him all to myself.
Take. Put it under his bed. He will be compelled to propose marriage to you as soon as he sits on that bed.
Thank you, Great One.
Go and never look back.
Wickedness everywhere, human beings can never be trusted. Be careful, my dear, before you fall their victim. Wickedness everywhere, human beings cannot be trusted. Be careful, my dear, before you fall their victim. Wickedness everywhere, human beings can never be trusted. Be careful, my dear, before you fall their victim. Wickedness everywhere, human being cannot be trusted. Be careful, my dear, before you fall their victim. This life is unpredictable, so be careful, you know, girl. 'Cause heart of man is
Samantha. Samantha. Where is she? I haven't seen her. Samantha. Samantha! My love!
Since you brought your evil self into this family, I lost my sister-in-law. I lost my nephew. Nebiko, your friend is dead. Pack your filthy things and leave my brother's house.
What are you insinuating? That I killed them or what?
You said so yourself, not me. Obviously, you killed them. You are nothing but a blood-sucking demon. That's what you are.
Ella, you're beginning to bite more than you can chew. Remember the first day I stepped my foot into this house? I told you that you're just a barking dog who cannot bite.
There. Samantha, I am done barking like a dog. Leave this house.
If I leave my...
Oga, okay? You will leave this house today.
You see, look. Be very careful.
You must leave.
Leave this. I'm going nowhere.
You have overstayed.
I am going
You must leave.
I'm just see.
Samantha, leave my brother's house. Go to the streets where you belong. Your friend is dead. Leave. You must leave. You are leaving this house. Whether you like it or not.
Get out! Come here. What the hell is wrong with you? Have you gone mad? Do you know you're crossing the line? Do you know you are crossing the line?
What is going on with you? What is happening to you? No, what is going on? What is happening? It's high time that woman left this house.
No, shut up! I'll be the one to make that decision, not you. This is my house.
No, Brother Jeff. Brother, I know you too well. You will never take that decision. Never!
Ella, listen and listen good.
You are taking things too far! I repeat, you are taking things too far!
Can I ask you a question? Are you for me or against me?
I am going to be against you if you do not behave yourself!
Wickedness everywhere, human beings can never be trusted. Be careful, my dear, before you fall their victim.
If you know the weight of the evil going on in Brother Jeff's house, and still going on, you will leave that thing you're sweeping and go to the city to save your son.
Wait, you mean Jeff? Jeff, your brother, raised his voice at you?
Mama, he slapped me.
Eh?
Yes, Jeff raised his hand on me.
Hey!
Mama, please, I came here because I want you to follow me to the city to chase that evil away from that house.
First thing tomorrow morning, we are going to that city. Are you hearing me? What is she doing there now? What is that girl doing in my son's house?
Obviously, she wants Brother Jeff to marry her. That is her target.
God forbid, it's not my own son that she will marry. She should go and look for a husband elsewhere. Who is she? How are we sure that girl is even a human being? Are you sure she's not a spirit? Eh? My own son marry her.
Baba, Brother Jeff have lost it. He has lost it completely. Mama, please, you need to go talk to your son. You need to go talk sense into him. I don't even know. Oh, geez, I can't explain it.
Where does this particular girl come from? Where is she from? Eh? Look, there's no need. First thing tomorrow morning, we are going to that city. I will personally chase her out of that house. In fact, I will kick her out. Whatever it will take me to make sure she leaves the house, I will do it. Onye Kobo? Huh? Is my son the only man in this world? Can't she go and look for a husband elsewhere? Huh?
For the first time in his life, he laid his hands on me.
Hey!
Brother Jeff, because of a woman.
Because of a woman? A woman, I don't even know where her source. We don't know her origin. What kind of trouble is this? Don't worry. If it's not, stop crying. Adam, stop crying. It's alright. Wipe your tears. Inugo, don't worry. We'll do some. Better go and look for something. Go and get something. The soup I prepared yesterday. Go and warm it and eat something now. Mom, tea.
Mama, I'm fine.
Let me boil water for you to drink tea.
Okay, Mama.
I know city people, you still they drink in the morning. Let me make tea for you. Adamo, give me that your smile now.
Give my bag. Leave it out. Leave it back. Leave my bag. Leave my bag. See, Ella, I'm telling you. You must leave. Hey! No, are you stupid? Leave my bag. Get out. You must leave this house. Ella, go with your bag. Get out. Bring that bag back here. Get out. Oh God. Do you not get my bag? Do you not get it? Come on, get my bag for me. Crancy, Ella, give me that bag.
Samantha, give me that bag.
Ella, I'm not going anywhere.
Oh, really?
I pin you.
You must leave.
I'm not moving an inch from this
You
place.
must leave.
Really? Come and take me out.
Oh, yeah, now.
Come and take me out.
Let's see.
Bring that box here.
Let's see how you stay here.
Bring
today.
it. You're not ashamed of
Let's
yourself.
see. You're very
doing
stupid.
this in your brother's house.
You're very
You're mad,
stupid.
you're an animal.
Who are you? What are you?
Stupid thing.
Idiot.
Bring that box
Throwing
now.
yourself on a man.
Bring that
Shameless
box here.
fool.
Oh, what's up all this one now? What's up all this? Okay, don't lose your wife. Don't lose a pikin today. Don't be there here for who go toilet, who go push, who go come out the house. What you say?
Jeff, this woman must leave this house. You must leave my son's house today. After your friend is normal. What are you still doing here? What are you doing here?
Mama, I don't have anywhere to go. Mama, honestly, I am not the cause of Vivian's death and your grandson's death. I am not the reason they died.
You are the cause. You are the
Where
reason
is your
they are
evidence?
dead. You are the reason. Mama, look, let me tell you something. She must leave this house today. Let her go to the bush and stay with wild animals. I don't care. She must leave.
Mama, I don't have anywhere to
go. Shut up. Shut up. Look, let me tell you, it is obvious that you have bewitched my son. But that is why I am here. My name is Agnes. They call me Agnes. Are you hearing me? Because of you, my own son called me a witch. My son called me a witch. And Jeff, just be ready and come and explain to the elders how I was able to kill your son and your wife. Mama, give one. Samantha, leave. Oh, yeah, leave. Leave. Get out. Go to filling station. Oh! Get us from here. Wire. Push her. I'm also. You, what are you pushing here? Oh yeah, to your duty post. Yes.
Wickedness everywhere. Human beings can never be trusted. Be careful, my dear, before you fall.
Yes. Yes, Jeffrey. Your uncle, yes. How are you? All right, we're all right here. Your mother complained to us that you were accusing her of killing your wife and son. We want to know, how true is this her claim?
Uncle, what is he saying? Put it on speaker.
You heard him? You didn't hear him? Okay.
Uncle, see, don't listen to anything Jeffrey is saying, no. Because obviously he's lying. Don't listen to him.
Will you shut up? Are you mad? Huh?
Uncle, I'm not mad.
Ella, just calm down. Let's hear him out. Continue, please. Jeffrey, you had everybody here, yes. What we want you to do now is, we need you at home very early in the morning tomorrow. Very early. Naya, tupu kwa ayafugo no. Bro yafu no. Yes, no excuses.
That's it.
Thank you. Thank you.
Uncle, what did he say?
He will be returning home tomorrow.
Tomorrow morning?
Yes. Hey. So, what about Whoever? Let's hear from him.
Yes.
Then, and take a stand.
I know why I'm keeping quiet. I know why I am keeping quiet. If not that Jeffrey is my only son, I would have laid curse on him. Nine, do you know that as we speak, Jeffrey is married to his wife's best friend?
Eh?
Yeah. That is the cause of the issue now. Because I confronted him, he's now accusing me of being responsible for his wife and son's death.
No problem, just calm down. That's not a problem. He married without my knowledge. No problem. Listen, he's just a playboy. But listen to me. Him and no idea. If you want to lick hot soup very well, apply sense. That is it. Calm down. When he comes soon, we will trash everything once and for all.
Uncle, please, you have to call him again later in the day so that he will come. Before he will tell you that he forgot.
That will not happen. He must come home.
He will dare not. He must get here.
I am happy because everything I'm seeing, everything is changing. This is why I changed the way that Jeffrey can go ahead and marry without us. No problem. Let's be on our way, please.
What the man now?
I wonder why Jeffrey would accuse his mother of killing his wife and his son. It surprises me as well. And he was too bold, so bold and confident to say it. Eh? Well, already I know that something is wrong. Something is wrong somewhere. This is unlike him. Huh? I understand he's already married another woman. He's married another woman. But let's not tell the truth. This is just family matter. It is. It's a family matter. And our own is just to try and settle it amicably.
That is it.
That is it.
Nothing more.
Please, let's feed home because I need some.
Great one. Brian appeared to me in my dream yesterday. He tried to harm me.
I warned you that the boy's spirit is so powerful and he's going to destroy you if you are not careful.
Great one, what do we do? What's the next step?
Go to the village and chain the spirit. That is what you will do.
Chain his spirit? Great one, look, it will be very difficult for me.
That's the only way. Chain the spirit.
Great one, you keep saying that's the only way. I'm tired. Because each step requires another step. What is it?
Life is a continuum.
Jeffrey, you are not man enough. Be a man and stop allowing a woman to manipulate you. That girl has totally bewitched you.
You are the witch.
Mama!
You are the witch!
Jeffrey, what's wrong with you? Huh? You are totally wrong. Look, why must you lay such a serious accusation on your mother without any proof?
She's not my mother. She is a stranger.
And I don't.
Hey!
I don't even want to be your mother.
Agnes, calm
down.
Agnes, calm down. Agnes, calm down.
My elders, tell him to clarify himself. Oh. Let him open his mouth and clarify himself.
Wait, your mother is no longer your mother. What is happening here? Jeffrey, I am sure that this your mother cannot hurt a fly.
That's because you don't know her. She pretends for a living. Even you!
My elders, Bikun, on behalf of my brother Jeff, sorry, You people should forgive him because he doesn't know what he is doing.
At all.
His senses are no longer intact. Bikun, why alone here?
Exactly.
And I want to tell you people that that woman, that witch in his house is the reason my sister-in-law and son is dead.
I beg your pardon. Who?
Brother.
What did you say?
You heard me right.
Have you gone mad?
No, I haven't.
Are you mad?
Get it.
Are you mad? Are you mad?
Give me first. Leave me alone.
Agnes.
I finished you. Give me first.
I have no business with you anymore. Don't touch me. Do
I
not touch me.
I don't want to say what about me for. You can give me first.
Sit down.
That girl has cooked you, fried you, and pounded you like fufu.
Will you come and sit down here? Have you forgotten what I told you last time? What's wrong with you? No, what's wrong with you?
Tell this woman and her daughter never to come to my house again.
Meaning that she's no longer your mother and Ella here is no longer your
Come to the house and pack your things.
Hey!
Come to the house and pack your things.
Jeff, to hell with you and your house. I don't care.
Uncle?
She will leave. She will leave. They have finished you.
Jeff!
They're packing.
Jeff!
They're packing.
Hey!
I have finished you. Mama, let him go, please. I don't even want to see him.
You are empty. We have sacked him away now to go and join you.
Ella will go. Ella will go.
Ella will do what? Calm down. Let's do this. You are just shouting here. Huh? Imagine. Go ahead to me now to join you.
Mama, I've been looking everywhere for you. Mama, what is it? Mama, what is it in there?
I can't believe what is happening to me. Is this it I'm living life? Is Is this thing I'm living life? My own son. My own son that I gave birth to. Hey!
Mama, look, let me tell you something. Samantha cannot be in that house. I am definitely going back to the city to send her out of my brother's house.
Imagine my own son. Imagine Jeffrey looked at me in the face and called me a witch and accused me of killing his wife and son. Eh? Mumwa! Hey! No, you must not fail me, oh. You must not fail me. Whatever it will take you, that girl must leave that house. Either by fire or by force.
No. I'm promising you something. Look, I will not let this be. I will not. I will make sure Samantha leaves.
You must give her fire for fire. Are you hearing me? You must give her fire for fire, blood for blood, flesh for flesh. Anyhow she wants it. Are you hearing me?
Mama, of course I will.
If you know I am your mother, if you know you are my true daughter, you must not fail me in this battle.
Mama, have I ever disappointed you? Have I? I will go back there and give her fire. She can't be in my brother's house. She doesn't deserve to be there.
I'm releasing you to go and conquer for me. You must not fail. You have the power to succeed. You will go, you will see, and you will conquer. Are you hearing me?
I will, Mama.
Oh, after everything I went through in raising you and your brother, after all my suffering, everything I went through to train Jeffrey, this is how Jeffrey wants to pay me back. Eh? After all my suffering, in raising the both of you.
Mama, I want you to know that Brother Jeff is not with his senses. He is not. He doesn't know what he's doing, so please, do not be too mad at him.
Whatever she thinks she's doing, you must not lose in this battle.
Never.
Whatever power she's operating with, she will know. Because when two powers meet, the lesser one will bow. And she is the one that will bow. Follow this thing physically. Continue moving. I will back you up spiritually. Akwinania, she must leave the house. Either by fire or by force. That is if she'll be alive, oh. If not, what happened to Vivian might even happen to her.
It's okay, Mama. She will leave.
She must leave. Nobody sits on my nose and balance. She cannot sit on my nose and balance. She must leave the house. Hey!
What did I make this noise? Ha! This house don't turn to another thing. Eh? Now what did they fight for this house now? Ha! No, I'm suffering and do this thing, no. Because the day where it go happen, like as I open door, open gate. Mona bunke for your information. Hey! Who they do this thing?
Vivian, today I chain your spirit. You will never haunt me. I am so happy I was able to achieve my aim. Back in school, I was more intelligent than you. What makes you think you will achieve more than I do? You mocked me right in my face because of your man? Now Jeffrey is mine and you are gone. I will enjoy everything that was meant to be yours. I chain your spirits. I chain your spirits. You will never remember to haunt me.
You need to listen to me. Listen, I love you so much and I'm ready to spend the rest of my life with you. Don't you understand? Please stay with me. Don't go. Come on.
Jeffrey, this is not the best time to say this. You're here to bury your son.
I understand that fact. But you need to listen to me. Alright? I'm here to bury my son. I know that. But I also need to tell you the truth. This is my father's house. I am my father's first son. So automatically, this entire compound belongs to me. So I promise you, I'll protect you. Nothing is going to happen to you. Don't be afraid. Marry me. Here. Let's build a home. Let's love each other for eternity. Vivian is dead. Dead people don't come back. You're the only thing that matters to me right now. Alright? Marry me.
Okay, you say marry me. Where's the ring?
Which ring?
Come on, babe.
Which ring? Are you still here? I told you to leave my house.
Mama,
you don't want to hear what I'm saying?
Mama, what is Mama?
Leave my son. You've killed my daughter-in-law and her son.
Mama,
you are still here.
Mama, do you realize this is my guest?
Who is your
guest? What's wrong with you?
You're still here. You're still here.
Hey!
Come back. Oh, come back now. Come back. I told you. Come now. I'm not fear.
Rubbish! Ella, what is wrong with you?
I'm going.
Are you crazy? Have you started?
Brother Jeff.
Have you gone crazy?
Brother Jeff.
Okay, you want to use the machete on me?
Brother Jeff.
You want to use it on me?
This one that you're calling in this family, I hope you're ready. I hope you're ready because I will not back down.
Ella, I am very ready. I am very, very ready. Yes, Mama, you have succeeded in killing Vivian and my son. Now you want to kill Samantha.
What?
And let me warn both of you. If anything happens to her, you will have it to contend with.
Mama, did you just say he accused you of killing Vivian?
My love, where are you? Hello? Can you hear me? Yes. Please, where are you? Have you gotten to the city? Okay, that's fine. Listen, I apologize for what happened. Okay? I apologize. I'm sorry on behalf of my mother and my sister. I'm sorry, okay? It's passions are high, okay? And you know what's happening, but please. I know they hate you for no reason, but just leave everything to me. I promise to make it up to you, okay? I'm going to sort everything out. I promise you that. And when I come to the city, I'll make it up to you. I promise. Please. I love you so much and just wait for me. I'll be back shortly, okay?
Wickedness everywhere. Human beings can never be trusted. Be careful, my dear, before you fall their victim. Wickedness everywhere. Human beings cannot be trusted.
Just telling you my mind.
No, Lawson, what do you mean? Can you explain yourself? What do you mean?
Jeff.
Excuse me, what do you mean?
Jeffrey, I'm your friend and I will tell you nothing but the truth.
So what's the truth?
You are wrong. Why would you be accusing your family over your wives and sons' death?
Because I know they killed my wife and my son. So what the hell are you saying?
Can you just listen to yourself? That's a strong allegation, and if it's someone else, they will kill you.
How? And I'm going to fight them with everything I have. Don't dare!
Jeff, let me ask you a question.
Go ahead.
Why did you marry Samantha in the first place?
I beg your pardon?
You heard me.
What the hell is that? What right do you have to question my decisions? I'm a grown man. I can do whatever the F I want.
Are you serious?
Yes. And it's my decision. Do you have a problem with that?
Jeff, are you really okay?
Are you okay? And how dare you ask me that question?
You're raising your voice on me right now.
I can do whatever the F I want.
See, I really don't have time for all this. Please go inside there and reunite with your family.
Whatever, bro.
Stop
Whatever.
causing havoc, please.
Why would they accuse me of killing my friend and her son? Why? Why would I want to kill my friend? What's my gain?
Samantha, you have to calm down. You need to stop crying because I don't believe them. I don't.
I don't know why they hate me so much. I don't know what I've done to deserve this hatred from them. Oh God.
Listen and listen good. No one, I repeat, no one can force you to swear an oath. They cannot do that. Alright? They can't do that. As long as I'm here, they can't force you to swear an oath. That's impossible. You need to calm down. Just relax. Okay? I promise you, no one is going to bully you into swearing an oath. That's impossible. That's completely impossible. That's not going to happen. I'm solidly behind you. You need to calm down. You need to stop crying and let me handle this entire situation. Do you understand me? Nobody can force you to do that. Okay? Nobody will do that. I'm behind you. I'll protect you. Okay? You have my word. Nobody will do anything to you. Okay? Just let me handle things my way. Alright? Good.
Oh, Samantha, must you kill everybody for your selfish interest? Oh, Samantha, must you kill everybody for your selfish interest? Oh, Samantha, must you kill everybody for your selfish interest? Oh, Samantha, must you kill everybody?
Are you mad? Is something wrong with your head? Do you realize I am a boss wife?
You don't speak English for me. Okay, no problem. You know, say, me and you will get unfinished.
We stupid unfinished business. I have no business with you. Nonsense.
I have no business with you. You don't get business with me again. No, you don't get business. You don't speak English for me because you don't marry Oga. Eh? Now so you rich now.
Please get out. Listen, I have no fucking business with you. If you ever come to me and talk trash to my face, I will accuse you of rape and get you arrested.
Hey, I have suffered. You arrest me. You, Samantha, arrest me.
Dare me and say the beast in me. No, dare me.
It's okay.
Trash.
Bite the finger that fed you. Man, if I marry money, beggy, I make your organic in my check it off my make your organic in my. Oh, Samantha, must you kill everybody for your selfish interest?
Samantha! Where is that Jezebel? What is wrong with you? Why did you lock the sitting room?
Why did you lock the storeroom?
What sort of question is that?
Look, I'm not in the mood to banter words with you. Go and open that storeroom.
You will have to force me to do that.
Ella, you see that thing you're looking for? The day I will deal with you, the day I will unleash the beast in me, you will learn to respect me.
I respect you, my foot. Look at you. You're seeking for respect when you can't even respect yourself. Madam, go and sit down. They don't born you well. Murderer.
What did you just call me?
You heard me. And let me tell you something. You see that kaimata you used on my brother? Very soon it will clear. And you will be left with nothing. Evil thing.
Listen, I said stay there. I command you to stay there. Are you crazy? Now listen to me. I chased you out of my house and you returned. This time, there's no access. You can't come back here. She is my wife. She is bigger than you and there is nothing you can do about it.
She is not your wife.
Shut up. Are you mad? How dare you speak when I'm speaking?
Brother, stop it, oh! Stop it! Stop it!
Henceforth, you get out of my house. I don't want to see you here again. Do you understand me? Now get out! Get out!
Brother, leave me! Brother! Brother, stop! Brother! Brother, stop it! Brother, stop it! Stop it!
Come back here! Come back here! Come back here!
Since you are not able to go to the village to tie his spirit, you are required to take your bath in the middle of the road in broad daylight. But make sure no one from the house sees you.
Great one. Bathe in broad daylight?
Yes.
Great one, look, I'm scared. I don't think I can do it. People will see me.
That's the only way. Take this. Add the substance to your bathwater. It will not only scare the boy's spirit away from you, it also has the power to make Jeffrey forget his people forever and concentrate on you.
Your legs down. What is wrong with you? What are you doing on my husband's seat? Take your ass out of my house now.
Am I the one you're talking to? Wait, am I the one you're opening your nonsense mouth and you're talking to? Eh? In this house that I was in before you came, you have the effrontery, the mouth to open your ass and to leave this place. What effrontery? Let me tell you something. You think I don't know what you're doing? I know exactly what you are doing in this house.
Look, don't start this to me before my husband comes and hears you. What is wrong with you? What nonsense are you spewing from your mouth?
What are you saying?
Leave this place, please.
Come on, no, don't tell me that. Let your husband come out. Your husband has been my hooker even before you came. Let me tell you, I have a video recording of you bathing outside. And you will have to explain to him why you will leave this big mansion with all the exquisite bathroom and toilet and go outside to go and take your bath.
Chido, please delete this video. Anything you want, I'll give it to you. Just name it.
Now you come. Now you have spoken like a good Samantha that you are. I have a proposal for you. Good proposal. You can go and get a pen and a jotter to jot things down if you want. Now listen to me. Number 1, you will make yourself readily available by 8:30 this evening. You will do the following things. 1, you will service my engine with very good authentic original oil because the engine is getting corrugated. That's 1. Number 2, my power steering is getting weak. You need to change the oil of the steering. They call it transmission fluid. Make sure you come with it. Then number 3, if you notice I'm overheating, that is to say my radiator is empty, you will add water. Okay, let me use water. Let me not stress you, because if I say you should go and buy water coolant, it will be very expensive for you. You are going to add water to that radiator to calm my system down. These are the things. Then, the most important, the 4th one. If only I chalk off, so kiki you will pay in 5 billion naira, not dollar, into an account I will send to you.
What?
What?
Chido.
Pay it into my account without mistake. Why are you shouting? Is it too much? Okay, give me 5 million naira.
You know, Chido, I was thinking, why don't you come with me? Let me make you happy on my matrimonial bed. Let me service your engine. What do you think?
No. Ooh. You mean I should follow you to your matrimonial bed? That is servicing from lower level to upper echelon. Hey, with all pleasure.
is your
Detective, my wife and I are saying thank you so much for your swift response to our call. However, we need a favor from you. We need you and your team to ensure that those criminals, those killers are brought to book and made to face the law. Please, do everything in your power to ensure that they are caught.
Mr. Jeffrey, you don't have anything to worry about. Me and my boys, we are on top of this matter.
Thank you very
100%.
much. Thank you very much.
So Chido died just like that. This is unbelievable.
It's okay.
That lively boy.
It's alright.
Mrs. Samantha, I want to have a word with you.
Why? Is there a problem?
No. It's okay, babe. It's alright. They're doing their jobs. You need to go with them and answer their questions, and it's normal. It's a normal routine. Okay. All right. Thank you very much, detective. Thank you. I appreciate it.
think you're smart, but you're digging your own grave. Oh, Samantha, must you kill everybody?
Elanwam, your brother needs help. He needs help. I am so happy, Mama, that you're beginning to see reasons with me. I am happy, because when I was saying it, you don't get it. You were not understanding me. Now you understand it better. That woman has bewitched my brother. Brother Jeff is no longer with his mind.
That is how this woman said I should give my sister to her, so that she can introduce my sister to her son. That my sister looks like one of her daughters. I say, which is it? Are you? I don't understand. Tell us what you want. Does my sister look like your daughter, or your son wants to marry my sister? You should have allowed them. Or you want to go?
Go where?
Do you want to go?
I am not interested.
Tell us so. If Mama ask her if she wants to go. If she wants to go.
I am not interested.
Let them call me mommy. Okay, the one I'm giving you is not enough.
No.
You know what? I am going to invite a pastor to his house. Mama, I don't think that's a good idea. But Jeff will not accept that. Who is going to tell him? We'll take him on our way. Yes, every drastic situation needs a drastic action. Mama, I think this is going to be a very big problem. I don't know, but this is going to be so unacceptable by him. Which problem? Let me tell you if you must know. Your brother is inside bottle. They've caged him inside bottle. And that is why we need to deliver him. There's no way I'll sit down and watch someone from nowhere to destroy my son. Mbana. It's not possible. I'm not keeping quiet. Oh. Well, Mama, if you say so, let's look for a strong man of God. But which man of God are we going to call? Leave that for me. I know. I have the best hands. I might even go with 3 men of God at once.
Mrs. Samantha, you said you served him food the day he died.
Yes. Is there a problem?
Not really. But you know, we are doing a thorough investigation to make sure that we get the culprits. And according to your statement, you said you had someone shouting the night he died.
Yes.
And you were not able to detect the people that hit him. Do you think they were armed robbers or friends?
Inspector, actually I think they are close friends of his. I'm sure they came with a mission to hurt him and they succeeded. Oh, Chido. I don't know, it will not be well with these people.
Just relax.
Chido was Inspector, you won't understand. Chido was everyone's friend. He was a nice boy. Diligent in his work, very obedient. fear into me, you have failed. If you think you can make me confess, I will not. I will not confess with my mouth and say what will take me to jail. It's not possible. I'd rather die with my secret. Go away! Leave me alone! I will not confess! You assured me that there will be no repercussion in this. Now everywhere I go, they torment me. I don't even have peace of mind.
What nonsense are you talking about, Samantha?
You made me soak my hands with blood.
I never forced you, remember? I never forced you.
I am not here to banter words with you.
Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! See, I don't care if you're a ghost. If you come close to me, I'll kill you. I'll kill myself. Leave me alone! Go away! Stop tormenting my life! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! You think you can tell me? I'm bigger than what you think I am. By yourself!
Hey! Confess! Samantha, confess! Wait, don't shoot me! Why are you trying to shoot me?
I'll kill you!
Confess! Confess!
I will not! I'd rather die than confess! I will not!
Why are you passing the gun again? Samantha, confess!
What are you doing with the gun?
Samantha, drop the gun now. What are you doing?
Shut up!
Let go!
Confess! Samantha! Leave me alone! Go away!
Is this girl alright? What is wrong with her? Is she possessed? What's wrong with... Who are you talking to?
Samantha! Samantha! I'll talk! I'll confess! Please forgive me. I'm sorry. I killed Vivian, your wife, and your son. I was jealous. I wanted you to be mine. I killed Chido. He was going to expose me, so I killed him. I manipulated you with charm to be mine. Please forgive me. I'm sorry. Vivian, I'm sorry. sorry. Please don't do this to me. Help me, please. Please. Guys. Ah! Enough.
Don't touch her. Don't even touch her. Don't touch her.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
Samantha. Samantha.
She killed me, Ned. She killed me, Ned. I told you this woman is evil.
Yeah, she killed Vivian and Brian. How? I need to call the police. I need to call the police. I need to call the police.
Vivian and Brian are dead just like that.
The person I trust has killed me. What the